Hello? Hi there. My name is Rustybot, but you already know that. Hi, welcome. It's time to get going. I'm glad to see a couple new people here. Hello. This is very epic and cool. I'm excited again. Stream number 3. Okay, I think I have it set up correctly this time. I did the transition properly. I have my audio all good. You can hear this, right? And it's coming from there. And I'm the real Rustybot. And hi there, hello. Hi, you're new. You're not new. I recognize your name. What do you do, Bongmaster? Get out of here. Please don't get out of here. But you know what I mean. I've seen you before. So hi, welcome back. Welcome back too. I appreciate the return viewers as well. This is awesome. Okay, Stream Tech seems to work, and I'm gonna go off on a tangent about it again because it's really cool. I don't know, all the OBS functions and everything, and that's super neat. I moved my follower notification thing to a different source stream feed. I put chat, I think, should be in the same spot as before, and it looks like it is, so that's good. Yeah, I'm glad that this is working. I'm not sure whether or not I want to turn name tags on and off. I feel like for this part I should just have not, but then I'll turn it back on outside, maybe. I don't know. I'll turn it back off now just to see. And you can see everybody behind me in another room. Well, I hope you catch up on your sleep debt. Yeah, no, I ran a little low over the weekend, but I got enough last night, thankfully. Yeah, okay. So, the plan for today is to make a Twitch chat module, because I've got this little thing over here that actually I don't think you can... Yeah, you can't see on that. But this is a super good chat, and I want to have that be able to auto-equip to me effectively, as well as opening up chat commands. Because after this stream, I should have enough stats to make Twitch affiliate, so I could start getting, bits and stuff, and those cool things. And I want to have funny little effects happen. I want to have... they're called bits, so I want to have a Bitbot pop out and, I don't know, do something when those happen. So that'll be cool. And, yeah, but I guess just before we begin on that, pretty loud? Oh, okay. Thank you. That is good to know. I can turn that down. Oh, goodness. That is way too loud. What the heck? Okay, how's this? Da-da-da-da-do. Better? Test, hi, hello. Good, cool, epic. Overdrive, acceptable. Yes. Okay, weird. I guess this is just more sensitive? Thank you for letting me know. How is that in comparison to Resonite sounds? These shouldn't be overbearingly loud, but they should be, able to be heard, right? I hope that it's not... Because I was noticing on the last stream that when I was talking, I was getting, okay, good. Perfect audio balance. Thank you. Thank you for... See, it's a team effort. And that's exactly what I want to do today, is have a team effort for making chat commands, because that'll be super fun. I sort of already have an idea of how I want to do it. And, yeah. Otherwise, I think let's get going. And thank you. Right, I was going to say thanks for, first of all, for the people being here immediately. I just started and there's already 13 viewers according to the thing over there, so that's awesome. And the fact that this is stream number 3 for me, and I have turned it on and there are 13 people, that's just amazing. Yeah. There's Shadow. Invite. Yeah, and so I'm gonna have a couple other people here doing tinkering and stuff. But here we go. Let's switch to Rusty Vision. Hi everybody. Adjust the zoom a little bit. Okay, good. Sweet! Yeah, let's head out to the lawn. Whoop. Funny you should say about eject command, because I do have... Oh, hold on, switch to world. There we go. I have an eject button, so I can just be like, Ugh! Why didn't they go anywhere? Hold on, is that broken? That is 100% broken. Okay, well, they're supposed to go off in whatever direction and, hit stuff. But let's go like this. Let me open my inventory. Why is everybody... Okay, I'm gonna go in here because everybody's hiding. Knock, knock.
Hello.
Why is the work happening in here?
Because I'm awesome.
This is too spicy for Twitch.
They were in here.
Well, like, I need stream entertainment. Like, just because performance-wise, like, if you're gonna be working on stuff, I come hang out, interact, or, you know.
Fair enough.
But, like, come hang out, interact. That's why I want to, you know, hang out. This is an excuse for us to hang out. But then you're hiding. Hello, Shadow.
Bring this up.
Let's get the thing I was working on.
Oh, and I have my inspector in there. And I've got my audio player.
Twitch module. Okay, here's my Twitch module. The goal is to make a little thingy for a Bitbot to pop out of. Now, obviously, if I get annoying talking to myself, then, you know, yeah, for sure. But I also want to be able to pop around and chat with you guys. Oh, and I gotta turn the music on. Woohoo! Let's turn this down a touch. There. But yeah, I'll be up over here. Okay, let's check this. It's a RustyBot. That's me. A command that makes, yep, the eject. I don't know. I might hook that up. The thing is, I'm not huge on hooking up commands that like override my own control of my avatar features, but I think for high enough levels that should be fine. Like, I don't know what a lot of bits is, but a high amount, you know. Nerdaxic discovered me from YouTube through a Resonite tutorial. I make those. You were looking for... Oh, for... yeah. No, definitely, you gotta have clothes on. I mean, I don't have clothes on right now, but I also, you know, it's kind of fine, because hull plating. Word of mouth in Resonite. That's most of it. Discovering me through word of mouth in Resonite. Like, so far, that's the fastest way I've had outreach. And, Mint, you're asking what we're doing. We are going to make a Twitch interaction module. So I have I've got the animation set up here, which is right now just module activate that does nothing, and a destroy slot to be able to close it. And I believe if I do cloud Twitch that you cannot see. Yeah, so there's a cube here on my HUD that you can't see when I let go of it. And I can then also clear modules and it's gone. So the goal is to take this template Bitbot that I've put in there with a little name on it, and I want to have it so that you can send a chat command to spawn one of these out. So we'll start with that, and then I think I'll put a drone cam on him after so that he can move around. Get my node browser. Let's go into actions. Right, value right, get one of those because I'm going to need to write your names. And we're going to go into network, Twitch, and get a chat message event. Gonna hook those up. Okay, put this over here for a second and put a part on this. Oh, I should turn on... Where's the button for that? Render private UI. Whoop, you can see the camera thing over there, but that's fine. So that you can see my keyboard. I was looking for lost change. That's how it goes. That's why I'm so excited to have Twitch affiliate, so that people can give me lost change. I need bits to survive. We all gotta have money in capitalism world, yay! I'm gonna call this... Oh, portal's on. Boop. Twitch... connection... We're going to attach a component to this that is also in network Twitch interface. I'm going to have to drive that with the dynamic variable I have set up on my avatar, so I can go into data dynamic reference variable driver and get a user. That was portal loading. This will be rustydrone/pilot. drive that. And now if I'm holding this module, there, you can see that's me. Channel, you're never going to believe this.
Boonga boonga.
Factoring. Hello, Portal Master 18.
It is I, Portal Master 18. Hello.
Sorry, that was rude. Do you have the shocked face hooked up?
The
The like, your...
Oh! You mean this one?
Yeah!
Oh my god! I
Awesome.
also hooked up the eyes so they also glow bigger, specifically in this expression.
That's really cool. That is a good face.
Oh.
Okay, go work on something.
Can I show you?
Yeah,
your
oh,
stream,
alright,
boss?
well-
Can I show you something really quick?
You're showing everybody. Here's chat's here.
Yippee!
Let me hold on. Let me switch to like that, and then I can. Oh, that way. Hi, Portal Master.
Actually, I'm not entirely sure, but this might look better from your camera view because things that look towards you will
Cameras.
look towards you on their view.
Oh, okay. Well,
They have actually fixed that.
no.
Okay, no. Okay, okay, you can see my wheel menu, right?
Yes.
So I have actually fixed this on being a crappy menu. It's actually functional as a menu.
Look at that.
And it's not just the emote wheel, I can hook up other things to it as well.
Nice. Proper quick menu.
So I also, it's like so easily exposed. It's so easily expandable because it's based off of spatial variables. So all I have to do is just dynamically like have the information on the actual icon on what it's
and then
meant
it's
to do.
whichever's closest. Yeah. I gotta switch my quick
So,
menu
like,
over to spatial
yeah.
bars.
Yeah.
Nice.
So like it's so easy to just make for, and it's just
Good for you.
this is a whole set of emotes I could theoretically fill up, and there's even one left here that I still need to fill.
How many is
So
that
just
on
overall-
the wheel?
Huh?
How many around?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
well.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13?
Okay.
13 per wheel, and 2 of them are usually going to be dedicated to arrow buttons.
Oh, that's back and forth. That makes sense. Okay, cool.
But like,
Cool.
it can be any amount because it's just a circle aligner.
That's really neat.
Yeah. So like, I don't even have a set amount of icons. But there you go.
Show me more later when I don't gotta entertain, because I got questions now. No, you can't do that on stream! You can't do that on stream, Portal! No, you did it the other way! Okay, get out of here. Still loud when I raise my... Oh, is it not normalized? That would do it. That would do it. I can check. I can mess with that. Let's go properties. Let's go... No, let's go filters. Because I have a noise gate. Can I add a normalize? Upward compressor? I don't know what that's gonna sound like. 3-band equalizer. I don't know how audio works. Limiter?
It's like sort of like a Paper Mario type
Limiter.
amplifier.
Hello? Check, check.
I think that's the best way my brain can describe it.
I put a limiter on.
Good so far.
Let me move this out of the way.
Vertical type?
Okay. It looks like that's working. Is that good? Okay, cool, good. Thank you for letting me know. Cool. My volume is now limited. Node browser. This is a well, it's a custom one that basically just, normally it's like this. It's got a grid thing. Shadow did it for me. Shadow, is this? He's over here. Shadow, is this node browser in your public, or a version of it?
This one is.
Okay. Yeah. So like same thing.
It's in my public, yeah, which
Yeah.
is in Essentials.
Okay, cool, yeah. Resonite Essentials community folders, Shadows public has that one in it. Mine is just that, but with colors. Fast typing for VR, thank you. I have years of practice. I cannot do a stupidly loud noise for comedic effect with my mouth, but I can do it with these, which is what I normally use anyway, so that's fine. Yeah. Actually, and I should put this under here so that you at least know when I'm looking this way that chat is above here, but you just can't see it. Alright, back to this. We've got... Viewer count doesn't come through, unfortunate, but we do have connected. And we do have me getting driven in there. So now I just need these two. Gotta drop the Twitch interface component in that. And then, as we have discovered last time, I will go message. When somebody says anything, eh? Eh? There, look, Twitch chat message event. Thank you. Perfect. Excellent example. Anything is good as well. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so I want that. We're gonna use a local, and I'm gonna message that. We're going to keep the display name with it, and we're gonna use the color. We need a local for that, and a local for this. This is name, color. Always label your stuff. I should make the camera a Bitbot. You can't actually see like the camera, but right now I'm using the Resonite default just because it's good. The real problem is not like, oh, I don't want to bother with turning it into. I have a Bitbot that is a camera. It's just putting all the settings buttons on it. I'm bad at UI. Okay, so we've got name, message. I want color of name to affect the thing. So if I've got this Bitbot, name badge, I'm probably going to need to put variables on the Bitbot for the color. No, don't drop table my messages, please. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to dynamic variable the Bitbot all over the place. So let's do dynamic variable space. What do I call it? Chatbot? Bitbot? Chat Bitbot? I'm just gonna call it Bitbot. Okay, so these all have to be Bitbot slash. And I'm gonna do a slot under it called variables. And that's going to have a value variable for color X. And it's going to have one for string. And it's going to have another one for string. And this is going to be called Bitbot slash color. We're gonna have Bitbot slash username and Bitbot slash message. Oh, hello, Chroma. Thank you for going to Home Depot. Chatbit? Maybe. It would be a chatbit bot, but then it's like, I don't know, 3 syllables is cumbersome. I think it's just going to be Bitbot because this will be the Twitch module either way, and that has its own variable space, I think. Or it might be still... No, it's just using module. Okay. Either way, I have those, and I would rather... Yeah, so I've got those. I'm going to take a slot and duplicate. I want to check... I don't want to do this for every chat message. So what we're going to do is check if it contains... to lower. Take the message. And if it is all lowercase. Yep. If it contains... exclamation point Bitbot, then we allow it through. That'll be the command for now. I don't know what it'll be in a bit, because I don't want these to get super spammed if chat gets crazy active, but you know. Okay, if the message contains Bitbot when it's lowercase, how do I come up with such creative ideas in the first place? Well, first of all, thank you for the compliment baked into that question. Second of all, actually, here, I should do this, because I could just grab these. How do I come up with creative ideas in the first place? Sometimes you get on Resonite intending to make something, and then you end up just standing there without ideas. That's a good question, and I have had many a time of this. Primarily, it's this. It's people working on their stuff. We're all just sort of, I don't know, a tinker session. Tinkering is the word I like to use for it. But it really is just latching onto those, hey, what if kind of things. Like, oh, hey, what if I did this? Hey, what if blank happened? You know what I mean? Where it's less about getting on and going, I want to work on something, and more about getting on and being open to whatever my passion tells me to go for.
Are those Rusty Bot flowers new, or have I just not been here
Yeah.
in a while?
No,
or
I put those
noticed
there
them?
the other day.
Oh, okay. Nice. It's fun that you know that they're very nice.
Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm very happy with them. I think they're super cute. I want to put more stuff around here.
Also the bee.
Well, I had to, you know, if I've got a little flower patch, I gotta put, whoa, sound.
Oh, nice.
That's, oh, Seifert, you're here. Hello, welcome. New follower. Yeah, no, I like, because there's the Frog Bog Flower Festival on the Friday after next, so I made a little rusty flower, and I'm gonna bring it, and it's gonna have a bee on it. Thank you for the follow, Seifert. How many apartments are empty? I think 4, but also, I don't know. Well, stuff has to move around. It hasn't been touched in a little while. Paragon. If there's a lot of existing material to draw upon, or more commonly, situations and paradigms, those get you into a certain line of thinking that give you ideas that tend to follow rules or pattern. Absolutely true. And again, genuinely, the primary reason I have so much stuff is not because I just sit here and think about what to make. It's because I will run into a problem and then go, man, if only I had a solution for that. And then I'll build the solution for that. Yeah. Is there... I want to see if I can get the camera set up in a way where you can see me and what I'm working on. That kind of works. A little more over the shoulder. Yeah, okay, that's cool. How's the visibility on those? You can kind of tell. Okay, maybe I should put a camera anchor there. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, one sec. Create camera anchor. Boop. Did that even... Okay, good. And then take the camera anchor I just made. And okay, so here, prime example, I have discovered a problem, which is I want a better perspective for viewers, and my solution is to do it right now. It's not about like, there we go. Okay, now I just need to move. Yeah, good, okay. It's not about like sitting and going, I'm gonna work on blankety blank. It's about making it, why is that not? Oh, right, camera anchors, FOVs are always weird. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. Visual root camera. Is this a parent value? Is this a variable? What gives? Do I just put it further back? No. What? The heck? My hand is right in front of the camera right now. Oh, it's the render override on the, yeah, I need to move that from the canvas, or from this to the canvas. Like that, this, rename this to stuff. This is gonna be kind of gross. That goes under there, that goes under there, that goes under there, that goes under there, that. Not that. That does, that does, that does, that does, that does, and that. Hopefully, this doesn't break anything. And then I move this here. Hello, much better. Okay. Problems to solve and motivation to solve them. Yes. And the motivation comes from people enjoying it. Like, I get so much out of having someone go, whoa, that's so awesome, that fuels my whole process. Modern solutions require modern problems is actually, yeah, no, fully real. This is my biggest thing is not that I ever necessarily run out of solutions, but that I run out of problems. I get to a point where I'm like, okay, I can kind of basically do everything I generally need to, and I want to do more, but I have nothing more I need to do. The ideas you have are often too big for you to actually do is a, I don't want to say skill issue, but like practice issue. You know what I mean? like poke at it. Instead, you can't make a solution in, well, okay, you can get to a point where you can make a solution all in one go, but generally speaking, that is too tough to be dynamically viable. We're going to duplicate the Bitbot. We're going to reparent it to wherever I am, which means, oh good, you can still see my keyboard there. Rusty drone / pilot parent space, and that is good. There. Constant Neos issue, yeah. MMC submission was encountering a problem, wanting to solve it. Yeah, totally. No, when I was doing my very first MMC, the exosuit, I made the Bitbot tool just so that I could work on the exosuit, but then I submitted this too, and I also got a trophy for that. So, like, it's good solutions will be things in their own right. Seafert, we are making a Twitch module so that I can press a button and install it on me and have chat commands that make Bitbots pop out. So if right now I've got these two outputs. If any chat message comes through, it's this. If you type !Bitbot anywhere in your message, it'll pop out there. Yeah. So then I'm gonna do this. I'm going to do... What am I gonna do? It's gotta be an async task because I want it to last for a certain amount of time. And I want it to delay... Let's say... here, first, make this whole thing an async. Whoops, that's a relay. There we go. not a Resonite message, stinker. This is now async, and then I can have that duplicate and then delay by 5 seconds, and then destroy. Destroy the duplicate. So it will now do that, and then I just want to set the transform. Let's do the global transform of the duplicate. Get the global transform of the duplicate. Set global position. Just super okay. Yeah, no, true, you're right. Thank you, Shadow. Let's do that instead. If the string starts with !Bitbot. That's more how commands work, isn't it? We want to set the duplicate on duplicate. Set the global position to be... Get out my plus node. I'm going to use its global position plus point to up. So this is very messy at the moment, but now once I hook this into there, okay, now somebody do !Bitbot something. And then we, yeah, there, look, ta-da! And now in 5 seconds that'll disappear. Well, okay, if multiple people do it, it'll keep, ooh, yeah, no, I gotta increment the stack for, like, how many there are. But yeah, hey, there we go. Okay, let's get your usernames in on this action. This is my favorite part of streaming already so far, is when this has happened where I can be like, hey, guys, help me out, help me test this thing, and then it works. That's so good. Okay, let's put this over here. And I want to set it up where there's a spot for your message, I think. But first of all, there are some dynamic variables I can write. So I want to go into variables, dynamic, write, you're not going to believe this. And then go down to, can you see the node browser from that angle? Kind of, just a little bit. That's fine. Color X. I could, here, let's lower this a touch. How's that? I don't want to... I should put a handle on this, like a gizmo handle. Camera, root, camera anchor. There it is. And scoot you up a bit. There we go. Yeah, that's better. You like the first person better? Yeah? Okay. Well, I do have the camera anchor just there, so I can just do that, and then swap to this when I'm talking to you. That might be better. Let me know what you guys think, but sure, I'll take that feedback for now and go back to first person. I just want to make sure it's not like too boring of just staring at the stuff, and that there's also, you know, a character on stream. But we can do a... Oh, do I do a... I don't know how to do a poll. I guess I'll just have to take little disorientating sometimes. Okay, I'll try and be careful about that. But I'll swap to this when I'm like talking to you guys, and then when I go into like work on this stuff, I'll do smooth POV to try and balance it out. Turn off template there. Bitbot nickname? Well, I can just get your name through this, which I have here. And now that I have color, I can use that too. Set this. Switching between is good, but POV is easier to follow and learn from. That is good. That is good. So let's do this. Let's set the path to the color variable here. Default should be obviously regular Bitbot color. And I'm gonna have to... Oh, actually, these are gonna not have... I don't have to worry about it being like weird alpha or overdriven or anything, because Twitch won't give me that. Okay, that's good. I'm so used to filtering for, you know, Resonate contingencies. Yeah. Let's go smooth POV here. I'll get in the habit of remembering when to switch POV and stuff too. All right, we have this stuff coming in, and then if it has the Bitbot command, we duplicate a Bitbot, we set the color here. I'm gonna use one of these guys to schmoove that stuff, because that can happen last. We're gonna set up the variables here with, well, let's just do that. Set this to string. Path, I'm actually gonna need 2 of these if I want to bring the message in as well. So username and message. And set that up to the duplicate. This path is that, and if I'm doing the message there, that has to be this one. And I guess I should... because if it starts with that, then I will remove that substring. Which means I need to go into strings. I need to go greater escape. I need the thing that replace first substring, I think. Or is it just going to be string remove? I think I'll just do that. So bitbot / message is here. I'm going to take the message and remove the first 7 characters. And then write that as the message. Public folders, cyan copyright. It's teal. Thank you. This, you know, blue and green together. That's teal. Oh, my select drag tool guy is that's this little dude. He's just, I call him the Bitbot schmoover, but yeah, super duper useful. I have him on cloud spawn so that I can just do that. I can click and he'll drop the stuff. I have another one that I can click and he'll like just hold on to the nodes in there, so that's pretty good. There's also a space after Bitbot normally. Yes, but like I'm currently not checking for that, which I guess I could. Let's do that. Let's check for the space as well. So you have to do Bitbot space. There's a what?
Rusty, there's a note to trim spaces. This trims.
Oh, it just
spaces.
Okay, perfect. Then let's not check for that. And let's instead just... And sorry, this trims only space, like, off the start of it?
Start and end.
Start and end, okay.
Start and end.
That's cool, that's cool. Let's do that.
Like very start and very end, not the center.
Cool. Twitch doesn't send extra spaces, right? But like, if you do exclamation point bitbot space and then your command versus if you do exclamation point bitbot no space and send the command, I want it to format the same way. I do call that teal, but like, you know, I call it blue. Really, is what is happening here, but it is composed color-wise of blue and green. So, you know. Then I also, like, the color I use for the wireframe on all my stuff is, and also the, you know, this color is, 1 blue and, or sorry, 1 green and 0.5 blue. But yeah. Bitbot hello world. All that teal. So is the bitbot command... Oh, right, duh. No, it's just not going through because it's not, yeah. Okay, we're setting that. We're setting... the message, we're setting the username. I want the name badge on the bitbot. Yes. Dynamic value variable driver. Ren, go. String. Nope, Ren, go. Okay. The text on this is driven by that. Default value is going to be bitbot, just because I like having default values. And variable name is bitbot/username. Teal is more... yeah, I don't know, that's fair. I just call it blue. Whatever, Paragon. Sprocket, cloud spawning is a method, technically not directly supported, but it's a way of spawning an item from your inventory out into the session. So like my tools and everything, that's not in there anymore, that's deleted. And then when I go to cloud spawn it, it just came out of my inventory via URL. Same thing for all my hand transformations, for like my head guns. This is a module that I have on cloud spawn, and it's a way for me of keeping my stuff more efficient. So I don't have, you know, if I activate every feature at once, that's 18,000 slots. Which is not, you know, obviously slots are not the metric we want to use for performance, but like that's a lot of stuff. And it's a lot of stuff that is doing a lot of stuff. Versus when I unequip everything and if I pop off all my limbs and delete those and all that, I go down to like 5,000 or so, which is like still a pretty heavy avatar, but it's certainly a lot less than 18,000. Yeah. How often do I have a tool in both hands? Basically always. Like, I just work two-handed, yeah. I rely on my quick menu a lot as an understatement. Okay, here, every time you hear this clicking, like, I have the quick menu turned off for the camera, that clicking is me doing it. So when I'm, like, talking blah, 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 and then I go, oh, yes, think that, like, you heard it, you know. Okay, so we have bitbot gets duplicated, set the username, set the message variable, set the color, then do the duplicate and everything. Can somebody send a bitbot command for me? Exclamation point bitbot something something. And it should, okay, yeah, no, it pops up in there. It's not getting reparented properly. So I'll just hold this. Go again. Hey! Okay, your names are going to start popping up over each other, but cool. There we go. Do I have... I don't have... yeah, okay, good. Let me go check this. So much of what Resonite can do is not very discoverable. That is correct, and that is what I want to fix with a lot of the marketing going forward. I do completely agree that is the biggest problem we have, is lack of discoverability, and I want to really push for stuff like some kind of Resonite workshop, or and some kind of, you know, an upgrade to the world browser, and all the stuff that sort of is in the back of people's heads, I think. And a lot of people are like, oh, we don't have collection support, and yes, that is super important. I totally agree. But also, even without collection support, we have really cool content. It's not like the problem is people aren't making stuff. The problem is people aren't finding stuff. So, yeah. Set. Let's do these in a stack. Normally, I really don't like doing stacks, but in this case, I think it's fine because it's a bunch of variables in a row. Separate those a bit. Me with a Neuralink, yeah. One day. I mean, I'm not gonna hold my breath for it, and I definitely don't want, the tech that's currently out there. The fidelity isn't good enough. The distinct controller inputs are very important for my level of precision that I'm going for. It's just, I need more buttons, really. Get my brain directly wired into Resonate, yeah. Better tutorial is on the list, Mint. I shouldn't say on the list. It is currently being worked on. I was in a session talking about it the other day. But that takes time too. And also, it doesn't, you can teach people the tools that exist all you want, but if the tools that exist are not what they could be, you're going to still have the same problem. Discoverability is going to be an issue no matter what until the system changes. It's not just a matter of education. Not that education won't help. Okay, I'm going to go into circuitry here, and nope, I'm not adding a tag. I'm going to call this Bitbot spawning, and we're going to pack this. Boop. Then I'm going to pack that, and I'm going to pack that, and I'm going to save. Everybody make sure you save. Every time it crosses your mind. Avatar, modules, Twitch, save. Good stuff. Okay. Wait for that to sync, pop out my this dealie. This is my, oh yeah, speaking of cloud spawning, this is my little utility for actually setting my cloud variables. That I have to, because you might just put your URLs into your avatar or whatever. This way I don't have to update my avatar every time I update any module. So I just go down to the bottom and paste that in here. There. And now when I go into when I go into cloud Twitch, I get the cube. Somebody send a Bitbot command. Bitbot test. Hey, look at that. There they are. Thank you. Sick. Yeah, they're gonna need to spawn, somewhere else, but okay, cool. And then I can go cloud. Nope, I can go modularity clear. And that is gone. Yay! Oh, they're working. That is really cool. Let's go back to this and make sure I'm not. Oh, I gotta put a way into this chat thing here to filter Bitbot messages. Inventory search is kind of, in my mind, that's kind of part of the workshop in terms of the inventory is a file browser. The workshop would be an actual way to search for stuff. I don't think at this point it's necessarily worth upgrading the inventory. That's just me spitballing. I kind of think a workshop from scratch is the better play, and make it just stupid easy to publish or whatever it ends up being. Okay, so that one is still working. Let's go to Bitbot spawning here. And then actually check the template. Here's the template Bitbot. Oh. No, this... no, yeah. This should for sure be world/Newlander anchor space instead. Okay. Yeah, no, that'll be much better. There is redx, but that kind of doesn't solve the problem because that's more of a, here's just a bunch more access to some file browser stuff. It's not a, proper way of searching or finding creators. Or what I really want to see is creator pages. Somewhere you can have, just your name, that's where your badges can go instead of over top your name tag, because that's lame. And a way to put here's my main public folder, here are items that I'm specifically putting out as published things, and maybe a donate button. I want to see it be easier for people to make stuff in here that they can benefit from. Yeah. All right. So we've got Bitbots spawning. They pop out into anchor space. And then, oh, whoops, I moved that thing. Undo, haha. Right now they just pop out sort of up, and what I would like is for them to be drone cameras, which means I gotta take this guy, who's always on my shoulder, and let's look at how drone camera component works, because I always forget. It needs a user, it needs to simulate, and then it's got a whole bunch of parameters. Okay. That's about what I thought. So let's do that, yeah? Utility, drone camera. Yeah, and it auto populates on me. Don't simulate on host. I guess it's gonna have to write... Oh, no, I can just drive this and then, yeah, that'll be fine. I can drive that from here. Camera, user, driver. And then go with dynamic variable, data dynamic reference, variable driver, thank you. User, make this rusty drone slash pilot. Pilot. Yep. Good. On here, I want the user field to be the target. Cool. Having badges over the name. I do think having badges over the name is excellent for certain badges. Here, let me swap back to that and then do this. So here's the problem, right? Most of these completely irrelevant for 90% of things. This chunk is just my MMC wins and donations and participations and whatever, which like I'm very proud of and is awesome and I love having, but it doesn't need to be there all the time, right? Resonate team member, host, mentor, like yeah, those are good, and I definitely would want the Neolander badge, that one, there all the time. But the rest of them are just like kind of neat and fun, and I would want them on a profile page. Yeah, exactly. Most are MMC badges. So, you know. Bowen, the anchor space is sent to, yeah, origin 000, and just, it sits there, it's temporary. I'll switch back to this and go to, if I go to inspector, here's the world, in temp, Neolander anchor space. So that's just where projectiles and stuff go. If I, like, do this, see, hex loops and laser shots end up in there. I'll go, like, charge shot. So, there's that. And then those go away after a bit. And it just makes it easy to, like, clear stuff and not mess up route and everything. When my avatar loads, yeah, it's part of my boot sequence. The world browser being better would be a lot better. Because, yeah, no, the current searches is kind of, not ideal. I like this song. I like all these songs. I need more non-copyrighted. All right, what are we doing? I've got the Bitbots set up color-wise, and I have now the drone camera appears. Actually, somebody send a Bitbot command, and it might just already work. No, okay. Why? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and catch this. Somebody send a Bitbot command, and that one won't destroy itself. Or I guess actually I should do it like that. There. Okay. Okay, there. This one. Nope, there we go, this Bitbot. It's because there's nobody in the user, which is... Oh, wait, yeah, duh, because it's not... No, that's just me being an idiot. Alright. Alright, those should be clearable. This is another thing that's nice about Anchor Space, is I have it set up so that I can do that, and then outside of this one I just did, who is not real, I can... Oh, I should also put an object root on these. Transform object root. Now, if somebody sends Bitbot command, that pops up and I can go, bonk, and he's dead. Awesome. Okay. This is correct. So let's pack that. And then, actually, I'll show you another utility I have that I'm quite proud of, which is my module installer. This automatically puts that on me. And now, okay, the Twitch module took a second to connect, but now if one of you does a Bitbot thing, sorry, Zarek, I know that hurt. Okay. Huh? I saw the shadow of it. They're like behind me. There it is. Hey, look, it's you guys. Haha. Oh, neat. Okay, I think it needs to be longer than 5 seconds. Do 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 do. This does not feel like enough. Let's make it 20. Don't go crazy. What do I do when I need to check documentation? Like my documentation or Resonite documentation? Oh, sorry guys, I don't have the module on right now. There we go. It's connecting. Okay, good. Okay, send me more Bitbots. More! Hey!
Where?
Yep.
I very nearly said something I shouldn't say onto it.
Yeah, me too.
They're going over there.
Yep. It works.
Feeling observed.
Quite.
They can't see out of there, but like, that's so fun that they, yeah, right? Look, there's another one. Oh, sorry, I left the camera behind. That. They're swarming. Oh, this is great. Sorry, I interrupted though. What did you enjoy the swarm? Oh, they're following me. Guys, chill. Guys, calm down. Okay, actually, that's really great. What lessons or advice would I have for making a home world? Okay, let's be real here. The ring is not really an ideal homeworld. We were just sort of talking about that the other night. It's cool, it's fun. I love this space station, but a space station is not an ideal hangout spot. You know what I mean? It's for work, which is why it's good for streaming. I like it for streaming because I can go in the room if I need to be quiet. There are other rooms and stuff like that, but it's not really a great hangout space because it sort of segments things too much with the doors in the rooms, and it's too like closed. Space is very cool, yes, but it's not friendly, right? You can make it friendly by making it more cartoony, but I don't know. I went a little too lore accurate, realistic, whatever you want to call it on this world, and it doesn't feel super comfy, you know? It doesn't have the coziness I would want an actual home to have. Yeah. But yes, no, Bowen, absolutely. I want the Bitbots to have little actions. I think that is like a necessity for sure. Can you set a headless as your home? If you mean as your cloud home, then no, because cloud home is the world that you auto load when you join, like when you boot up. But you can, you know, have a headless that you just, that's always on, that you go into when you boot up, which I know that isn't what you're asking, but it's a different session. Like you have to join the different session. You could probably hook it up where something in your cloud home like auto loads you into that session, because you can load other sessions through Flux. That would be kind of neat. But yeah. Is the message color stripped properly? I'm not doing anything with the message right now is part of the problem. So here, let's take the name badge slot. Let's duplicate it and call it message. And we're driving that message, call this message, Good. Then I want the position to be negative. And I want it to be vertical align middle, vertical align top. Ooh, doo, doo, doo. Try that. Okay, I'm gonna
I
hitch while I
wanna-
do that. Yeah?
I think I want to fight my past self.
Okay.
Come here.
I've
quick,
hold
if you
on.
can.
I'm gotta
Okay.
test
If you
the
can.
send Bitbot messages. Bitbot bot bit? Hey,
Bitbot
there's the
messages?
thing.
Oh, you're gonna represent
gotta-
people by Bitbots? Oh.
I gotta set the color up. Cause oh no, I already set the variable. I've just forgot to hook it into the yeah. No, we're good.
Rusty boot.
Hold on.
That's funny.
Data dynamic
tested.
value
Where is this
variable
coming
driver
from?
color X. Hi Seifert. Rusty boot.
I see.
Please feed. Oh boy, this is great already. Okay. Bitbot / color. This should be 1. That should be like that. That should be like that. This should be like that. Boop. Yep. And then I'm gonna duplicate this
Why
and
were
take
we
that to the name
created?
badge
Not sure.
to pass butter.
Oh no.
Yeah. Sorry.
Ingredients.
Put that there. Okay. Good. Let me clear this.
They're Mint is attacking you.
Oh god.
What about emotes? Oh, Portal wants to show me an emote thing.
No, it's not about emotes, but
It's
I still
related.
want to fight my past self.
Yeah.
No, it's actually not related.
It's not
to
related,
emotes.
like at all.
Nope. I'm redoing another system today, and I realized something.
That's working.
You modified the deck to do that? Or
Well, I'm gonna be a bit to get this thought out.
Okay,
So just hold on to that.
you do that, and I'll probably remember because I'm still gonna be
5.
working on it.
Cool.
Anytime you're back.
turn on and off the vision?
Bounded.
Did you modify the card?
They are not.
Okay,
The strings are not sanitized.
fair enough.
Yeah, I think it's.
Let's put that in here. Hitch while it loads. Kertrunk. Kertrunk. Okay. Hit me.
I don't know if that was my internet or Rusty's.
Whoop. Where is it?
I'm gonna guess it wasn't mine.
Uh-huh. Hey, there you are.
No rotation needed.
Look at that. Okay, why are the messages up now, though? What happened? Is it because of the bounds? Oh, bounds alignment, middle center. No, I want top center, right? Oh, hi, Dot. What's up? I love that I can see these now. This is so great. I really like this already. Okay, yeah. Let me clear that. I wish the Twitch module didn't super hitch every time it attached and connected. But I guess that one seemed fine. There we go. I'm already in Fortnite. I don't know, you can probably find some robot that looks like me. Can I make them attack me? Why would I make them attack me when I can make them attack everyone else? The Bitbot swarm. Oh, this is fantastic, you guys. Behold my audience.
Hello.
Shadow, you're being observed.
Your audience. No longer just a screen. Point defense. Shrug emoji.
I gotta absolutely turn it into, like, facing nearest person who is not me.
Observing.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that. Those can face user, but the Bitbot itself... visuals. Yes, I want to get... The user look at, I can't do that. Oh my goodness, this is awesome, you guys.
That's okay.
Chat. Okay, I gotta make I have to make a little panel too for my, like, you know, when you scroll down below the stream, you can see stuff like I've got the Resonite thing and my YouTube and blah blah blah. I gotta put a thing there that explains the Bitbots. How many Bitbots is too many is a good question, and I don't know that there is an answer. Also, I definitely need to make it so that the color affects the material.
Making their way over here. Feed us, Father. Oh god.
They're drone cameras.
So, Bitbot
They grip around crowds.
Just so you know, they're making
Assets.
their way over there somehow.
What do you mean somehow? That's the point. They fly around.
Oh, I see.
Look at this. They learned how to hate already. They're like 10 minutes old.
Oh,
Isn't this awesome?
no!
This is the best.
No, you should have.
Thanks,
You
guys.
shouldn't have taught
Yeah.
them this. No.
Ha, this is
No,
great. This is really great. Part of me wants to just make it every message, but also that sucks. Like, I think it should still be the command. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set this,
No.
once I get affiliate, I'm gonna set this to 1 bit.
Make a
You have to
toggle.
donate 1 bit to do the Bitbot command, and I'll be rich in seconds. Look at them all!
Hate. God,
Oh,
no.
you guys! I'm really, really liking this.
Oh, it's Shadow. Bitbot schmoover.
Yeah, that's this.
Look at, turn around before it disappears.
Ooh, there are 387.44 million miles of printed circuits in wafer-thin layers that fill my complex. If the word hate was engraved on each nano... I know what you're referencing. That's a good bit. Is it cat? What? Hold on. No,
Yeah.
send the long one again. That one wants me to love it, which is unfortunate because, like, love is for people and
That's
Bitbots are
gonna
not
happen,
people.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
No,
what do you mean it was
I've got
capped?
space.
Do
Yeah,
it
there
again. Send again.
we
Bowen, the lights. I want the lights to be... yeah, no, that seems correct. Yeah, no, Shadow, it's only bounded horizontally. Bitbot rights, wrong. Bitbot lefts. I think, Seaford, it might have just been clipping with the wall. Because this is, like, this is a screen, right? Is this some kind of... What? Say that again. Alright, guys. There's no... I'm gonna need to put outline, I think, on these. Message... Well, they're using the same text material. That's fine, that's okay. Oh, wait, the music stopped because it's been an hour and my playlist is short. Time to reboot. Oh, no. Oh, it's just playing the same... Yeah, okay, hold on. 1 sec. Reshuffling playlist. Streaming soundtrack. Shuffle play. Mayro Galaxy. Scrap. Scrap.
Huh.
That one is for you.
Oh, hi, Dot.
I love this. I love chat being an object in the world.
We got these, by the way.
actually,
Perfect. There you go.
makes it so much easier to like just read them as they're happening instead of having to like look around and find your thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, sick.
No one's saying hi to me.
I think this is what computers were made for. I am actually loving this bit. Okay, yeah, what's next? Assets. I gotta put the eye material on there.
Cameras. They look for groups of people.
Move that over. And then I can use the same color driver.
Together group
You're the
here.
people.
That's because we're poppy.
Well, I think it looks like...
Tint on that. Good. And now when this gets... Well, okay, that's not going to be able to... Whatever. Resident 2 is... What? Oh, Portal, Seafort called you stinky.
What?
Yeah, black colors will have no eye, but they'll also have weird particles, so, you know, that's fine. Let's get... Speaking of particles, hello. Is it that? Yes. I need this material on
What'd you say?
assets. Move over. Seafort called you stinking. There. And they were just watching Star Trek. Would it make sense to replace the message and refresh the timer on the Bitbot per user? That is a good point. Probably. But also, I don't think... I don't know. Maybe this is... Yeah. I'll have to put some sort of... Check. Slow down. Attack Shadow X. Yeah, that's not how that command works, pal. Sorry. It will be, though. It will be at some point. I'm gonna have, like, bit rewards that's like, shoot somebody near you and whatever, because that'll be funny. Surprised there's not a more Star Trek-inspired stuff. Yeah? Yeah, actually. That's a really good point. I can't think of anything. Huh. Oh, this is awesome. I'm actually just talking to the swarm. Oh, Portal, now you're Rainbow Stinky. Rainbow Stinky. Oh, it went away. Attack, attack, fire, shoot, laser. Yeah, you're not going to convince me that easy. Did I drop this? What happened?
You can convince me that easy though.
I'm spawning nodes. That's what I get for doing that with my tool out. You made Tron stuff? That's cool. That's good. Oh, wait, Dot, you said a tiny high. Did that... where... I think I missed that. Conditional gun, go, yeah. Shadow...
Yes.
What is that?
A really big dot.
Oh,
Really big
okay.
Period.
Well,
Yeah, because it's only bounded horizontally.
yeah. No, it's...
It's square.
well, because the font period is a... You know.
Oh, right, because it's
Yeah.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Why is my font is broken on my... Hold on. Weird. Tried to say a big hi, but it didn't work. That's unfortunate. Oh, save for it. Rusty boot. Let's bound this vertically.
Do that and also maybe strip RTF.
Well,
Unless you
but
want people
if
to be
it's
able to-
bounded vertically, I think it's funny.
Was it really?
Like, it'll just auto-scale, you know?
Was it scaled or? No, it's now.
I mean,
scaled.
Yeah.
If you want your message to be unintelligible, you can do that. Whoop. Okay, so here, I'm gonna clear that. And then do that. And then do that.
Wait, does go to data space? That's funny.
Anchor space, yes. Yeah, because that way I can, you know, it's safe.
Yeah, that's good.
Huh. Is that 1 meter?
You see a slur and you're immediately like,
I guess that, yeah. No, okay, we're good. Did I hook up the color variable to this? No, I didn't. Duplicate that. Hook this up to there, and then I just need the particle material. I'm gonna reach for the stars. Is my... I hope the voice in the camera is not, like... Or the voice in the music is in time. Roop. Anchor space, that's the thing I was talking about where the Bitbots all get parented there along with all of my bullets and everything. So yeah, a temporary slot for temporary things is correct. Now, this needs... This is gonna need the thing. Okay, let's get some... Let me get rid of this. No more Bitbots for a second, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am going to need... Set alpha. Where is... Oh, it's in channels, right. Color X. Set alpha. And... Bitbot spawning. So I need to get the color here. Set the alpha to 0.5 after I... nope, that one. Multiply the color by 2.4. And then I'm gonna need another one of these. So what I'm doing here is getting... I'm gonna make a new variable for the plasma color, which is the Bitbot thrust exhaust.
Straight flush detection as well. Because that should end up with 5.
Whoops. And that way
So,
the particles will match the eye and the message.
and it happens to be
Like
this,
so.
the flush is
Good. And then I have to actually make that variable and also drive it
yes. So like
like so.
in the straight
sRGBA.
when I'm checking if
Good.
the
Grab this. Do that. Do that. Do that.
the suit that you have the most of.
Default value 0.5 and 2. Nope. 2.4. on those. Swarm me when they come back, yes. Oh, Anchor Space is a system that I built. It's not like a Resonite thing. Something for your chat that is Ghost with a TTS voice, yep. 500 character limit, is it? I haven't checked. Does Twitch chat have a character limit? 500, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything else here. Okay, cool. Okay, chat messages coming back in one moment. Because that should work now, if I, famous last words, but... let the module connect. Erg! Okay, there we go. Hit me! Shoot messages! Give me Bitbot commands. Hey, look at you guys in your colors. Oh, that's great. That is really great. Look at them in their colors.
You used to make Rusty Cola. Ah!
This is great. Oh my goodness. All you are is dust in the wind, dude.
Stinky and Rainbow.
Yeah,
It's
well,
Rainbow Rusty.
what do I, huh?
What determines the color?
This color. The chat color. The Twitch name.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
I mean, someone's name is Rainbow?
No, that was rich text formatting.
Oh.
Somebody else
I know.
do rich text formatting. Make it, do a big one. It can't get too big, but like that and like small.
Color, chat color. Woohoo.
I'm gonna, I think, make the messages a little wider. Because right now they're limited to 0.5. Let's go for 0.8.
Right there.
Let's go for
Someone
0.8
just did an
and
exclamation mark in red.
0.6. Oh,
Thank you,
God, see, I
Paragon.
play the solid snake sound.
Rusty
Look into that, and then lag while the Twitch module connects, and then clear those. Sorry, I cleared someone. Oh, whoa, scared me. Oh, that's fantastic.
Rusty.
Yeah,
What is that one?
it's scary. Oh, I forgot the antenna.
You're
that
alive?
means regular
Indeed, you are
unlit.
alive, Mint.
This one.
look at the one Paragon sent right there.
Like my keyboard.
In the wind.
Good thing we hid it properly. Nope, not that. I need antennae.
Does it have built-in TTS, or is it TTS modules? You've seen something that connects to it. I'm pretty sure the TTS is something slightly external, right?
Yeah, it will
Once
be.
it use like the TikTok voice.
That goes there. That goes there.
Hello world.
Clear.
You're not gonna be here very long. Oh,
Okay, and now the antenna color should match as well. Oh, that was a sound. New follower. Hello. Thank you, Fizzy Rabbit. Welcome. Okay, good. The antennas match now. Yay! Oh, this is awesome. Save,
Insert
save, always
TikTok
save.
voice here.
Twitch.
Oh no!
Save.
Why oh no?
That one's just scared.
I guess. I
Find
had to
your
my
pages. Why is your find your pages so big? Why'd you make that so big, huh? This one wants to know why I killed it, which is a very silly question given that it's still alive. Also, why is the thrust blue? It should be your green. That one's black. That one's correct. What? Wait, Bowen, send something else.
Weird. Oh, maybe.
Oh,
that
you
was
meant to make
an
it small, okay.
old Message?
No, because they only last for 20 seconds. Good, good. Safer wants to annihilate portal. Dot wants to find the pages. You did it big again. Oh, because it's
Good job.
bounded auto scaling, and so because you're changing the size, it just goes to fit it or something. That's I don't know. Where's Bones?
The blue pages? Why are they blue?
Oh, you did
Why are
Bitbit
you
there,
blue?
yeah. Okay, yeah. What the? Oh no, it's just you're like blue green, and because I'm overdriving it, it looks a little
It kind
okay.
of looks blue. Okay.
That's fine.
Well,
Yeah, see how this one's
something
like this is
else.
orange and that's kind of yellowy because it's transparent. That's fine. It just threw me off because I thought it was using the default color, but I can see the difference now. Oh, this is
That's really
great.
funny.
This is really great. There's not a second closest user for auto look at, right? I'm just gonna have to do Drivers, I need auto look at user, which is right at the top. Auto target, swing, blah, blah, blah. Retarget distance 0.5. Oh, hello. Funny colors, sad face. You did funny colors, laughy emoji, but like, you know. Portal, you're standing
Yeah.
right here and you want to threaten me like that?
Oh, no,
You tap yourself in the face. Go tap yourself in the face.
Yeah, there we go. I'll kill you.
Oh, this is great.
Me?
You know what? It should be. I think tapping the screen should kill them. I think that'd be really funny. They fall out of the air and like do a little. Right?
I was thinking they just like implode if you touch them.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be great. I want to be able to kill my chat.
Don't kill us. Oh, too bad. Too bad. Too sad. Just W. What? That's not a normal W. I'm just gonna assume you're saying it's the win. I'm gonna go continue working on what I was working on.
Cool. Send more messages real quick for these are facing the wrong way. That's cool. The funny like, you know. Resonate doesn't like certain formatting. Huh. This is not. I don't think the negative affects anything there. Exclude active user doesn't matter. I mean, I would like it to, you know. Hey, listen. I think instead of auto look at, I'm just gonna have it like. I'm just gonna drive the rotation off of the actual, off of flux. Nearest user, head to the Bitbot. We will do ignore AFK. I always like to check that. That gives me the slot, that gives me the distance. I want to get a transform, global transform, and then conversion, global point to local. And I want the local point to be in the Bitbot. And then I want math, rotation, look rotation. Okay. And now what I can do is the global transform of the head gets converted into local Bitbot space. That vector is used as the forward for a rotation, and that rotation is driven such that the Bitbot looks at the nearest user head. That's for the thruster. This is for look, I'll just call it look at. And that's because I'm gonna want to mess with how this works later. Okay, and now I think that should be fine. Yes, good. It is looking properly. Okay, so I will clear my current one and use this one and then wait for it to do that. And now I'm gonna kill everybody. Sorry, now send more. More, give me more. Woo! Okay, Portal. Yes, and now they look at Portal when they're close. Oh, that's fantastic.
Hello. You want feed? You need fed? Oh, I like this one. I like this one doing the colon 3.
Yeah.
Dead.
Whoop. Come to Distress
Starving?
Beacon.
Then
Oh, I
starve.
didn't see what Rusty One Kenobi. Ah, yes, of course.
We've come to your distress beacon.
Okay, I got to adjust the drone camera stuff. Because I would like... Also, now that I know this is working, I'm gonna get rid of this stupid box in my face that you guys can't see. Boop. Sorry, I had to kill you there for a second. Do 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 do. Okay, so why is the size formatting not working, actually, is a good question. Because I like that it parses rich text. I think that's very funny. But the vertical auto size sort of, you know, we're in a bit of a pickle. Paragon, sorry, drone camera is what is allowing the Bitbots to fly around. It's like an automated component for you know, here, if I take... Nope, that's the whole thing. Sorry, one sec. I just meant to get this guy. If I throw him, he's somewhere out there, and I'm using him for that. Wherever he went. Oh, he's up there. Hi, bud. And it's sort of just a way of, you know, semi-automating. Why is he rotated weird? Strange. Anyway, he flies around, and it does a bunch of behaviors like adjusting for group size and looking at people and, you know. Oh, this is really cool. Bitbot efficiency. That's where they tend to be. I should make sure I'm caught up with questions here. Resonite does not have built-in TTS sprocket. That is something that you would connect a WebSocket to or OSC or something. As far as I understand, I'm actually, now that I'm saying that, I don't know how it works because I haven't needed it, but yeah. Why did I kill you? It was funny. The things are things, right? Yes, generally. Drone camera, that, and okay, cool, good. Oh, this is so much fun. This is a really good time. Let's check some of these parameters, because here's the drone camera component. I mean, there's a lot to play with here. We've got check occlusion, adjust height on occlusion. I could try playing with. Distance period, height period. I should start from the top, probably. Slow and fast speed. I do understand those. Let's just turn speed all around down to 0.5, so it's a little easier to read. Mouse sensitivity, field of view doesn't really matter because I'm not using this as an actual camera. Follow user, group search radius, 2.5. Oh, I definitely want that up to like 5. Controller reject distance. Is that like if it gets too close to a controller? Let's find out. Send, okay, Mint, you sent one that is boo. That should have done, if I'm doing this. Yeah, send a couple more tests. Blurp, or sorry, blep, my mistake. There you go, okay, there's a couple. There's those, cool. Hi, guys. What is... I'm sorry, I'm not inviting any more people because, just, I want to make sure that frames don't get too crazy out of hand. Or more. I don't understand how this component works mostly, but I think group search radius is pretty self-explanatory. Biggest group search interval. Every 10 seconds it looks for the... Yeah, okay. The problem is you kind of do eat frames for breakfast, especially in here, right? Like, I mean, I'm at 45-ish, which is half my headset refresh rate. And this is comfortable. I can work like this. But I don't want to go past below 30. Below 30, I am not going to want to work. Head forward point distance, head backward point distance. So this is for if it's trying to be in front of you. So if I set that up to 1 and then get some more bitbots in here. Oops, sorry, I dropped it. Feed frames. Do dee do dee do bum 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 people people. Okay, cool. Hey, there you are. Right. And if I'm looking away, I'm just gonna look in the mirror. You can see them up there. If I look at you, yes, it scoots away to at that distance. That makes sense. Okay. This is now, if you want to know how I learned Resonite, it's this. It's the, hey, what does this number do? Check, experiment. Hey, what does this number do? Check, experiment. For 6 years. 5 years. Head up point distance, down point. Right offset 0.7. Okay, if I do 0.35 for that, and then I get a couple more bitbots, which, you know, relies on you guys. But the flood begins, yes. This is really cool. Okay, cool. Thank you. Where are they? Are they over there?
Yep.
Yeah.
So that should be a lot simpler.
They're just everywhere. This is awesome.
Yep, there we go, royal flush.
Okay. I feel like I should set them to focus me.
So I've knocked off
Let's do that.
those two.
Okay, so if that happens, do I don't have one, right? Yeah. Oh, that's another thing I need to, okay, 1 second. I need to get the, Twitch logo image. Twitch logo. So I can put that on my HUD
So easy.
for when I am using this. Twitch logo, PNG. PNG, transparent image.
God bless you. Logic to handle this was
Copy image. Oop, hello, paste image. It's that easy. Woo! But that's okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for the transparent image, you guys. That's really great. Really, Shadow, Shadow, Shadow. Look at this transparent image I just got from Google.
Yay.
You
Okay,
can
hold
search.
Well,
you
I'm just
can-
gonna
you
get
can,
another one.
Hold on. No. Watch me fix it.
Okay, you fix it while I get another one.
Yeah.
I'm quite curious to see this.
There, I got another one.
Wait.
Yeah. Incredible.
Yeah, but this one's
He
better.
fixed it already.
So let's see.
Yeah, this one isn't right. This one's
Normalize
line weight is
minimax.
consistent. The actual Twitch logo's line weight is not consistent.
The huh?
There's no back in this image. Why would
The
it
line weight,
not?
like how
Okay.
thick all the lines are, it's completely consistent here.
No, it's gone. Oh.
Well,
They've got to
Well,
have an
it's
official
black.
thing, right?
I could probably just yank you the thing that's in the corner.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, that's a GIF.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Ba-dum.
I mean, you do know you can filter Google images by transparency, right?
Well, first of all, no, I didn't. Second of all, like, I already got one.
Wow.
I want one without the white in the center.
I will see what I can do.
I'm about to.
Because the white
have
in
it,
the
I think.
center.
Okay.
I got one.
Okay, let's see. Color to alpha.
There you go.
Okay.
What's on the back
Yeah.
of the chat?
There is
Mhm.
one on the back of the chat, but it's the full Twitch logo.
Oh, yeah. No, thanks.
There
I
you go.
appreciate it, but I want the, just this. Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Do that.
I don't think it's square though. You might need to you might need to
And
be
then we
cropped.
do. Where is normalize alpha? Please tell me there is normalize. Oh, well, actually, alpha to mask.
Yeah.
Normalize min and max.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Then color to alpha. Duh.
Hey! Okay,
that
just because of the effort you put in, I'm gonna use that one. And
Sure.
also, I
Well,
want
also
it to
that
be
one's
white
square.
anyway. Yeah. Is it square? Oh, good, it is square too. Oh, wait, actually, I need it to be square, but like, here. Where's your cropper? I need to get your cropper out.
That's in the.
Shadow. No, you have a image cropper in your public.
I do have the big one. I don't think that's fixed yet.
Oh, well, here.
Like the button doesn't work.
Yeah, but that's because of this, right?
I don't remember.
Yeah, no.
No.
No, not this one. It was a different circuit. Hold on, let me do that? No.
We do also. Oh, I guess the timeline tussle one does also drop it to like 256, which is gross.
I'm just gonna unpack the, because it's in here somewhere.
That in there.
Wait, I thought it was this that was broken. Sorry guys, the bitbots are all over there right now because I don't have the module on. You're sending commands and I'm not getting anything.
Yeah. Have I fixed it? When was
I
it
thought-
last updated?
Yeah, I made you at some point semi recently.
Maybe. Oh, there's two in there. Yeah, in that case,
Yeah.
that's fixed.
Okay, cool. Then yeah,
January
let's
26.
do that. It doesn't have to be exactly square because it's just going on my HUD and it's going to be 64 by 64, so who cares? Boop. Yay, thank you. This da 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 is going to go on my HUD. You guys, your bitbots are here, and I am going to set a variable for. Okay, so you have module slash attached, and this is going to be Rusty Drone slash Twitch enabled. Or, slash Twitch module. Attached. That will be on. And then on me, we're going to inspect my own face and go to touchscreen. Go up one to my HUD, into my icons, duplicate the ruler. Set this to be Twitch icon. Cool, good. This needs to be Orpal. But like Twitch Orpal. Does anyone offhand know the Twitch hex code? And then I'm going to take this image and set it to 64. Boop. Cool. Then put that in this sprite provider. Bonk. Oh, wait. Nope. Don't put it in that sprite provider. Make a new sprite provider. Create new, empty. Copy. Put that in there, and then use this sprite provider. There. Seaford, I am going to trust you. Okay, I'm getting different ones, so here, let's see who's a liar. X.
That's a royal flush, that's correct.
Hashtag
And that's a high card, yep.
6441A5.
That's a royal flush.
That looks right.
Weird.
Thanks, guys. I'm getting a bunch of different ones, so but we'll go with this. Okay, good. And then I need this variable to be driven by Twitch module attached. Boop. Okay, good. And then when I do this, yay! Alright, I've got my little logo on the, and you guys can see that on my, yeah, okay. So that's, you know that I'm streaming, which I guess is superfluous, but yay, there you are! We are back! Alright, cool. Let's save this Twitch module. Hi guys, hey, what's up? Everybody get in here. This is so awesome. Okay, I am going to... Oh, that actually just brings me to something I don't know if I thought of, which is in data space modules. There, okay, I did do that. I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna clear module for a second, so sorry. Bitbots die. And then I'm gonna save me. Which means save in here. And save in my backups.
Which makes sense. Seems
Whoop.
should be 0. So now it's just...
That is much better.
I mean, that's still...
Alright, Twitch module. Save. I think I just did it, but, you know, no harm in saving multiple times. There we go. I should come up with a backronym for Twitch. Televised something something, I don't know. Channel. I'll think of it. That would be fun. Okay, I really like the Bitbot command. I think that's fun. So now I gotta wait for that to sync, but I can install it manually here, and it'll connect. There we go. Okay, send Bitbots. Oh, what was that? Who's following? Shalefoot. Hello. Thank you. Welcome. I gotta get a drink. Voice crack. Also, I'm hearing stuff louder now. Do I have 2 listeners active? I'll have to check. Oh, nice color. Ugh. That's better. Shalefoot, hello. Hi-yo. Welcome. You're first-time chatter. You followed and then chatted? Well, thank you. Yeah, wow. Everything is louder now. That makes me think something's wrong with the listener component on me. Which I can check here. I do have 2 of those now. that would be why everything is louder. Okay, can I just delete one safely? Yes, that's better. You jumped over from the Resonite stream. Welcome. This is another Resonite stream where I sit here and make funny, silly Bitbot commands. Look, there's one. Do send exclamation point Bitbot, and you will have a little guy pop up with your message. Ah, that one's scary. Let me switch back to. Where? There you are. Hi. The swarm grows. Oh, I really like this. This is such a fun bit. Yes. Okay, good. Now, I suppose, actually, now that I've done that, the transform offset is entirely superfluous. So I can just have this come straight from that. And then, yeah, I don't need this anymore. Cool, good. Yeah, pack that. Let me put this back a little bit. Yeah, good. Televised wide internet transmission channel. Ooh, that's a good setup. Oh man, I can outsource my backronymming. I don't know how I feel about that. I really like coming up with my backronyms. Televised wide internet. I would want televised to be. I really like transmission channel, but then it needs the H also. So televised. Wide internet transmission channel is very good. I'm thinking heuristics too, Paragon, but that doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. Harmonics. Televised watchable. Watchable is funny.
That's getting us straight.
Yeah, just channel. Man, I almost want to take out the Bitbot command and just have it be every message. Like. Oh, that's fun.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Just for now. Here's the thing. Pre-Twitch affiliate while I'm small, this is great. And I'll set it like, I don't know, on cooldown or something eventually probably, but yeah, I really want this to be like a, handful of bits and then not bits as in joke, but handful of like Twitch bits to pop a Bitbot out and have it be like, last for longer. I can make it last for longer now because it's already 20 seconds, which is pretty good, but let's go 30. Yes, Mario Galaxy music is awesome. You are entirely correct. Okay, so they last for 30 seconds now off of this one.
Okay, that's why.
And, I mean, let's just do that temporarily.
Is not
Yeah,
correct. I'm not resetting it.
yeah. And then, take this and save it. And then let that sync. Just call by replacing user message text and kill the bot 30 seconds after the last message. You lost me. Call by replacing user message text. And I see. So one person only has a Bitbot out at a time. Yes, I see what you're saying, but then I do have to search through all of the active Bitbots and figure out if that person has one, which I'm currently not doing. Like, God, that's a thing for collections, isn't it? Oh my goodness. It sneaks up on you. Collections just would help with so much. Oh boy. Yeah, no, that's totally a thing that collections would, because then I could have an array of what Bitbots exist. Oh well. Do that, clear that module, cloud spawn the Twitch module, let it connect. That'll hitch me for a second. Oh, we're back. Okay, send some Bitbots. These will now last for 30 seconds. Test? Yeah, just for every message. Oh, that's great, except I put the conditional... Okay, hold on, I forgot. This... Wait. Oh, right, it's trying to remove... It removes the first 7, but now it's not... Yeah, no, so wait, I just want...
How's it going?
That. Hold on.
Jeez, they still want
Clear.
feeding. These guys
Save
have
this.
a lot of urges for eating for robots.
I think they hunger, and I really, I don't know why. Yeah, no, thank you, Zark. I forgot it still removes first 7. There. Paste that. Okay, and now cloud spawn the Twitch module. It connects, and now send some more. Any message at all. You don't need to use the command. Boo-doo-doo, ba-doo-doo. Whee! Yay, look, here they come! Yes! Whoa! Swarm! Activate the swarm! Oh, this is fantastic.
It'd be really funny if you could make a bit. You need to make a bitbot with like a gun of some kind, and then have them be able to target people by the username.
Yes. Oh, no, I've got to... you know what I've got to do? I've got to hook it up... Okay, this is going to be so easy, because I can have it hooked up to this, and when I lock target... Yeah, okay, no, okay, I got to do this. Ooh.
You could have it do like
On
closest to
each
username,
bitbot.
so you don't need to know someone's full username to target them.
I don't need to know anyone's username to target them.
Well, I mean, like if you were doing a command to specifically. I meant like have the bitbots be able to choose who they want to shoot.
Oh, okay.
But that's also funny.
I get what you mean now. No, yeah, that would be good. Televised watched, integrated transmission channel, hyperlink. Oh, hyperlink is good. You are the swarm. Oh, yes, thank you for volunteering to attack people. Oh, this is great. Yippee violence, portal stinky, yeah. Emotional violence is welcome as well. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I really like this. I think I will hook it up to this menu. Meaning, I'm going to go into variables, dynamic, read, this, and I need user. So, if we do... Rusty drone / targeted user. Value, and then plug me into there. No, yeah, it's just targeted user, isn't it? I'm stupid, because this is ancient. Yep. Okay. Why did you give us individual ephemeral... no! Don't start lore questioning me! Don't you start lore questioning me! Look, bitbots are sub-sapient micro-intelligences that are just sentient enough to do their jobs. I will let you explode. Where are you? Are you... Oh, this is awesome! Yeah, I think these are actually the voices that effectively causes an ultra prime in bad realities. Alright, so not that. I guess I'm gonna find slot by tag? And look for the prime unit? Find child by tag. That, and then I'll do slots, well, no, users, user from ID, and I want user root slot, and only search one deep, please. Look at it, oh, this is great. If you gain sentience, okay, no. So here's the thing. You can have sentience. These things should not be sapient. Okay, Bowen, I was thinking about Bitbot emotes, and like, I love that I can respond to chat by looking around at you guys. Oh, this is amazing. Looking into my orders through the fourth wall. Yes, Bitbot emotes, I will have to figure out a way to get that set up, because, like, that would be so good if you could pop in and have it be like, haha, or like have one come in angry. Yeah. Oh, this is really, really cool. We will do this. We will do u-rusty bot. Hey, that's me. We'll pop one of those, pop one of those, pop one of those. Good, that is accurately getting. Can this be 0? Yes, it can. We should probably have it be like 3 though. Okay, that then should variables. Bitbot username. Yep. No, on the drone camera. That's what I want. Oh. For now, better TTV or YTV. For what? Do the Bitbots have the same amount of direction as, like, Overseers from Random World? I don't know. I don't know anything about Random World. They imagine like a, I want to say like a really smart dog. Honestly, a Bitbot it's a worker drone. It's what you imagine when you, it's Jarvis. It's each one is a tiny Jarvis, like not the full house control system and everything. Yeah. It's Jagart. What are you working on? Question. Are you talking like Rocky from Project Hail Mary? I'm making a Bitbot swarm for a chat feed, because I think that's just awesome. And it's going very well. This circuit in particular is going to go on these Bitbots such that they can follow whoever I desire. And actually, that's already working. So I just have to pack this into scripts. Following. Like that. Okay, yeah. And then clear this module, and then install... sorry. Gotta kill you guys. That one. Jarvis, save the modules. Time to remove my limbs. I mean, sure, but, like, why? Somebody send something. Okay, cool. Now, if I lock onto portal... Yeah, nothing's happening. Thank you all for sending something. I really do appreciate that, but, it appears I have the dumb. Yeah, why? So why is this not following? Well, yeah, thanks, bud. I need to fix the occlusion check, I think. Oops. Okay, one sec. There we go. I had to kill them. Don't worry about it.
Oh, so sad. So many good bots just died today.
Oh, that's why. No, that's just because I'm... Yeah. I made them specifically follow me. And I need them... Okay, actually... This is...
You are many.
I do have to keep killing you guys just for a second. Just for a moment. I wouldn't worry about it. Just let it happen. There we go. Okay, and pack. Okay, now we're good. We're good. Sorry. Now you can yell at me about having, you know, having me kill you. There we go. And yeah, I can send the swarm to people.
One of them said boo.
Hey, Portal. The swarm's on you now. Everybody go!
No.
Attack my minions! Swarm! Swarm! Oh, this is incredible.
I'll use my own Bitbot to defend myself.
No, more! We need more! We need more for the swarm! Everyone who can remotely hear me, please just send any message. I want to make Portal feel threatened. Look, that one's extra scary. Oh my goodness. This is actually incredible. And then I can be like, wait, Shadow. Whoop.
Oh my god.
Actually amazing.
There's so many. Oh, he's gone now.
That's okay. They're still following him. They're in anchor space. They're in anchor space, right? So they're everywhere. Whoop, go to looks good. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get Scrap with them. Go, everybody yell at Scrap. Actually, he might be AFK right now.
I think the shocked face was very good use there.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Hey, Portal, guess what? This is amazing. Yeah, I think Scrap's AFK, but oh well. Look at that!
Oh, this is really. Oh, this is really cool.
Really cool.
Hello there.
Look, it's everybody. Oh man. Yeah.
Explodes me.
Mint, I will answer your question. What is happening? Every chat message spawns a Bitbot that
I
follows whoever I
mean-
decide to lock onto.
We need to be able.
Swarm looks
They're
good.
saying they need to be able to explode.
I think they do need to be able to explode. Yeah. Okay. Let's make it so that they can blow themselves up. Hi.
Anything I like.
What'd you say?
I'm just trying to read some of
Blows
these.
up
And,
pancakes with mind.
I mean, I effectively do have them in an array because they're in anchor space. But, yeah. This, oh, hello. Antisocial Goose, this is why you're staying out. Yeah, why? Why? Just because of, like, too many people staring at you? I don't know, what do you mean? What's the problem?
oh, someone said hello. I don't know who it was. Hello.
Shalefoot says, hello, C colon.
Hello.
That's a, you know, the...
C colon there in this instance. Like I don't know.
Chat, yell at Portal for me. I don't want to have to do it.
No, don't yell at me.
Please keep yelling, thank you.
No.
This is amazing. Oh, yes, yes! I'm so happy this is working. Oh, boy. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna, just in case, do a last save, because I forget whether or not I did. Like that. Cool. Look at, they're all...
Viewers are calling me. They're calling me. Bad,
Oh, man,
like
see
a
them- hold on.
dog or something.
This is so good.
So many colon threes. Yeah, actually.
Look at you.
There's a bunch of big colon threes in the chat.
Oh, yeah. Everybody copy that message. Swarm, go zoom, zoom. Oh, I love this so much. I think this is part of this. This is what I want to do for my streams mostly, is come up with silly tools so that you guys can like mess with the session. Look at that, Portal. Here, let me go on like this, and then scoot back.
I should. Oh man, I'd have to redo my entire mouse.
Yes.
But I just realized I can't make a colon 3 with my current face.
You
It's
gotta.
so sad.
Yeah. Look at, we're surrounded. Oh, this is amazing, you guys. Yeah.
But it's made out of blend
Ooh,
shapes.
look at that.
So unless I change like the whole thing, oh wow, rainbow.
Unless you change the whole thing.
Portal, we need to.
You can add more vertices, and it isn't necessarily a big deal. Antisocial
fix this.
Goose says, Portal, we need to fix this, girl.
Yes. You need a comma between this and girl.
Oh,
but yes.
okay. Portal, we need to fix this, girl. I see, I understand.
Yeah.
Chroma has only had audio for the past hour. Chroma, do you have audio now?
Getting surrounded
Or, sorry, do you have
already.
visual now? Because there you are.
Oh, what a winky
Anti-
face. I don't
Wait,
like
is
that
this...
one.
Which Luna is
I
this?
don't like the winky face.
The... Who's Antisocial Goose? Which, do I know of... Rusty OS is operating at peak efficiency. Yeah, Chroma, every chat message spawns a bit. Okay,
Luna,
this
oh,
is
it's
Luna Pines.
Luna.
Okay, hello, hi, thank you. Look, it's you. That's you.
Luna, who?
Oh, I need to smooth the Bitbot looking.
I don't know anyone by the name Luna.
Okay, chat, slow down for a second so I can I gotta unpack this. Yes, do you want that to not be the case?
Yeah, make it on you, because
Okay.
I'm gonna go back while working.
Yep. They're back to neutral, which is just sort of whatever. This needs a smooth on it. Math, interpolation, smooth slurp. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Yummy rotations. Sorry, I gotta kill you all for just a moment. Set the speed on this to 8. There we go. Okay, we're back. Then clear module. Hello. Oh, sorry, one sec. One sec. There we go. Okay. Yes. And now, Portal, I just am going to test the look at. Okay, good. They smoothly transition to looking at the next person.
Luna, go to bed. The Lick Squid's telling Luna to go to bed.
Here, Luna, yell at Licks and I'll lock on for you. Yeah, there. See? There you go.
Yeah.
There she is. She's in the red. This is awesome. I can force communication.
Yeah, it's like court summons where you just someone say,
Wait,
hey,
yeah.
I've got a message for
Rusty,
you.
Yeah.
you need
This
to
guy's
turn
saying
into
hello.
Bitbot mode and also surround us.
Oh, wait, you're totally right. Let's go like this. And then, hello, swarm. I'm one of the swarm. Ooh.
Ooh.
This is so great. Ooh. Chroma said boo. That was very scary.
The new Bitbots are spawning really itty bitty.
Oh, they're tiny because I'm tiny. Yeah, okay, I gotta drive the scale. That's a good test.
funny.
Ha,
love
look at you,
breaking
little
your
small
stuff.
stinkers. Itty bitty, itty bitty.
Oh, I'll show you right back.
Okay.
The smallest Bitbot.
You are the smallest Bitbot ever. All right, let's fix the size on this. Bitbot spawning, unpack. These should be popped out with a global transform. Oh, the music stopped again because it's been another hour. Uh-oh, that means we've only got one left. Shuffle play. I need to get more music. So that it's not the same songs on repeat for you guys. This is marketing. It is kind of bees at that point, isn't it? Okay, transform. Set. Global scale, thank you. Set global scale of the duplicates to 1 is the default, so that is fine. And we'll just have this pop right in there. Good. Problem solved. Pack in place. Save that. Clear, kill, click. Being next to a super intelligence such as Toby is humbling. Don't call me Toby, that's not my name anymore! Sorry, I got a little angry there. Gets a B-bot. So, where... Rusty Boot. Seafurt, you are Resonite messaging me. You should instead Bitbot message me. Oh, right, sorry, they're still on Licks. Boop. Get over here, you guys. Woohoo! Okay, now let's... If I go small... Whoa, look up to... my creator, unfortunately, a lifespan of 30 seconds. I am very sorry. I do apologize. There's really not much I could do about that, though. Also, you can see them spawning... What?
I guess it counts.
That one is. Amazing how you've made a mechanic for the chat to roleplay as Bitbot. Yeah, right? No, Chroma, I love this. Oh, I'm so glad. Help, they trapped me in this Bitbot. This is exactly what I wanted out of today.
Oh, the German is Bitbot, please help me, help me.
I hope so, a handful of clips have been made, or if not, that they get made, because, like, this is the direction I want my streams to go, is that, you know, Resonate is so interactive. I want it to not just be, hey, you guys are watching. I want you guys to feel like you're here.
There's this Portal 2 streamer named Kersey Howe, and he did this stream where he tried to speedrun Portal 2, but chat messengers, whenever they chatted, in Portal 2, it would make a giant message pop up of whatever they said.
Oh, funny.
It is really well done. This reminds me of
Portal,
that.
There's
Except it's
Portal.
Oh, hey Portal, can you actually grab them?
No. That
I
would be
wanna be
funny.
able
You want to be
to
able to
grab
grab them and then, like, crush them in your hand. You get to be a Bitbot. They get to be a Bitbot. Everybody gets to be a Bitbot.
Oh, wait, no, you can make them edible. So you just,
That's
Actually,
awful.
no.
I like grab and
Never
throw.
mind.
I definitely... Oh, this has to be more interactive. I was sort of starting to think, like, oh, what other commands could I do? But
you can make them explode with raycasts.
parenting bullets. 100% parenting bullets. Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
I need to make them react to parenting bullets. I have to be able to shoot you guys. I also have to give them headguns. Like they need to be able to do this, right? I know you guys. Oh, you on stream, you can see. Yeah, you guys need these.
That one in the corner isn't out. Oh, now it is. Oh, that's because of the animation.
People always say that. I think I need to rework how that works so that it is better. because I totally get. You're right that it looks wrong.
It looks kind of funky.
Yeah. Yeah, no, Paragon, exactly. I want so when I go, I want to take this this is, okay. This is why I want to build it as an avatar module, because I want to be able to take it places and have, like, the swarm come with me, you know? Like, be in an open session and just have a ton of Bitbots hovering around. Oh, this is so good. Look, there's you guys in the background. Yes, 100% I want to turn my viewers into a mini army. You will swarm the world. This is the goal. I am so excited. Yeah, no, Crow, I want to world hop with this. I gotta go, like, what's open right now? I want to see if I can world hop. I have to, like, call ahead and be like, hey, I'm streaming. Is that chill? But, okay. Where's open at the moment? Can you see my world browser? Yeah. Dunes is about to go crazy. Yeah, true. You know what? Let's just go to Dunes. What's the worst that could happen? I might take a little break to get some water and go to the bathroom, but yeah. Okay, Twitch module, save. I think I saved the most recent change, but, you know, always worth checking.
Alright. I'm gonna be heading out.
Okay, thanks for hanging out.
Goodbye.
Can everybody yell at Portal real quick? Say goodbye to Portal. Goodbye, Portal.
Making a considerable amount of progress on just cutting down the flux count.
Goodbye, Portal. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes, I feel so powerful.
Have you saved, Rusty? Someone reminded you to save 30 seconds
Yep,
ago.
don't worry. Hey, look behind you.
Good. Portal Stinky, wow.
Incredible.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Rusty.
Goodbye, Portal Master 18.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, you gotta do a spin for luck.
One for the road.
Uh-uh.
I'll get one
Oh,
of these.
what's Oh, hi, Tavo. Thanks. Mint and Tavo, if you're just here for the first time too, we have successfully created an army. If you send any message, you will join me in session here.
If I leave while your swarm's on me.
Oh, well, it just is gonna null the ref, and then they'll come back to me. But, like, yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
Everybody say hi-bye to Portal.
Bye.
Farewell. I know we already did that, but, like, you know, later. Give them a sec to... Yeah. Bye, Portal. Bye, Portal. Yep. Yeah, and then you guys just come over to me. Hi, everybody. Oh, this is so wonderful. Okay, I have saved. I am going to click my module and get the URL. I'm going to put that in here. Good. Cool. And then I think, yeah, so Scrap's in there. Shadow's in his room. Knock, knock. Shadow, are you alive? He is not. Is Scrap alive? Knock, knock. Scrap is not alive. Okay. Lick Squid, are you alive?
Yep.
You are alive. I'm gonna close down in a moment here. I'm gonna, like, take a short break, like 5-minute break, and then come back and, like, jump to Dunes for the last hour to mess with this with more people.
Okay.
So, you know, yeah, 5-10 minutes, save up. Maka Flare, I make you wish you had the energy to actually learn Protoflux. Good? I am glad to inspire. This is obviously just in my case. It was less about having the energy for it and more about there was stuff I wanted to do, and that's what had to happen for that to work, you know? Yeah. Also, good timing with the music. Oh, no, my music's over here. Pause. Thank you. You can speak. So, okay. Yeah, we're gonna take a short break, because I need a moment. And normally I would swap to my, like, BRB screen, but I think it's funnier just to leave you guys here and able to swarm. So I'm gonna sit in the corner, and you can send stupid messages and watch them pop up. I think that's very funny. Also, before I do that, actually, I'm going to save this version of my chat thing with the camera anchor on it, because I really like it. Utilities, save. Does that save it with all the messages? Oh, I think it might. Okay. Can I clear? How do you clear? Oh wait, no. There's a thing in this for that, right? Yes. Scrap. I'm about to leave and go to like I'm gonna open or not open. I'm gonna jump to dunes or something, and mess with the bitbots. Okay, so I'm gonna clear all of that. Then save chat. Yeah, with the anchor on it, because I do like this angle, so that because if I'm working something in front of me, yeah, no, that's good. Okay. Roop. Hello, hello. Can I? Oh, I should set my BRB text up for not that to that to that to that and that. And I know you guys can't see anything, but oh, perfect. Hey, check this out. Whoop. Yep. Okay. Cool. Okay. 1 moment, and by 1 moment I mean several moments.
You're in VR, right? There, awesome. Dead.
Alex, can you come to my room for a second? Alex. Oh, right.
Yeah. No, I realized I should have put the camera third person so I could get my headset adjusted before making my return. Oopsie. Alright, what did you dinguses talk about while I was gone? Let's get this crap off my screen. Ka-chunk. Whoop.
What, like?
Discussing with you. You
Hello.
put the entire contents of the deck.
Okay. Get this back set up the way I like it. I love my big screen, like I think I've said. Big screen beyond 2. But I use the fabric strap, which is wonderfully comfortable, but obviously requires some adjustment every time I take it on and off. Alright, now I had a thought, because if we go to Dunes, I can't actually control the user cap there if I go into the headless. So that'll be a problem. I need a headless I can join, or I need someone else to host. Here, let me turn off rendering private UI for this part, because you don't need to see my keyboard anymore. Oh, Seifert, Seifert, do you have a, like, good connection to be able to host? Because I would like this to, ideally, to be open to, like, 12 plus people.
Okay. That's interesting.
I can, huh?
Okay, so now.
Oh, great.
Okay, yeah, no, I need a host who's got, like, pretty good connection.
In 2 hours.
Okay, let me take a look at...
Well, there you have it.
Bowen, like if you've got actually solid internet, Bowen, if you could host an instance of Dunes and like give me admin when I join, that would be kind of really great.
Yeah, they just uploaded a YouTube channel. They uploaded Rec Room.
Let me
What was the video called?
good connection but bad machine. Yeah, no, that's fair.
16
Whoop,
20
hello.
Farewell to Rec Room.
Will we get this figured out?
I cannot believe that.
Oh,
They're working on something over there. I love the the Bitbots. Are you guys locked onto? Yeah, you're locked onto them. Here, lock onto me. Get over here. Hi guys.
Where's Shadow?
He's AFK in his room.
Oh, this is so neat. I love the chat. Okay, yeah, Bowen is hosting Dunes, so cool. Thank you. I will be going there. The ring's gonna be closing down, guys.
Okay.
Cool. Zoop. All right, let's get in there. And I'll bring my stream over, I think. Change to admin, thank you. Hello. Hi, guys.
Yo.
Thanks for hosting. User limit 16. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm gonna close the ring. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go in my inventory and spawn out my this, which is gonna kind of ouch for a second. Erg. There we go. This is the chat module. Chat cannot see the chat module, but it is there.
I see.
Sweet, sweet. I'm gonna get that set up like this. Time for super lag game buggy playlist. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, and now if I do that, click, and then I get that hooked in. Okay, somebody send something. Bot, hey! Look at you!
Wild.
This is great.
Wild.
This is great! Okay, let's default that to lock onto me. Sick. Okay, I'm gonna make a little sign that says, like, you know, I'm actively streaming. Don't be stupid.
Alright, sweet.
Please note. Oh, right. Thank you, I am typing currently. Oh, that's not capitalized. Oh, I should, you know what, just for the, boop. I'm streaming. Don't be a what? What? Don't be a what?
Don't be a what?
What did I said? Don't be a dingus, right?
I don't think you said don't be a, and that's it. You didn't complete the sentence.
Bink. There. Put that at spawn. So when you join in, you see that. Hi, everybody. Yeah, please be mindful of personal space, okay, Bitbots? Didn't complete the sentence? Oh.
Don't have much control over that.
No, you're right. I have control over that. Please, Bitbots, swarm Bowen. Go. Attack. Emotional damage. Fire.
I don't know.
Is the session open to... Yeah, it's open to anyone. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Let me get my music back in here. Got to play that. Got to play this. And turn that off.
No,
Put
no, not the
this.
self-destruct sequence. No. Ah. Oh no, I'm not stink. You stink, Portal. No.
Here, Portal, fight back. Seafort called you stinky bunch of times too. Go. This is so cool.
Official from
I-
Resonate.
Yeah, oh, true. This is so good. Oh, I really, really love this module.
This is awesome.
Yeah,
man.
no, I need to make it so the Bitbots do other stuff, for sure. I want to set it up so that you guys can shoot somehow. I want to set it up so that they can sort of auto-direct themselves. Like, I really... There's so much potential for chat commands in here to be just crazy neat, and this is barely touching it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
no.
think, one of the first things I would probably tackle is like a proper despawn animation.
Yes. No, agreed. I want them to fly away, or at least the messages shrink, and then, you know, I feel like I might... I'm not a huge fan that they just also sort of spawn from, you know, I want to put a little something like on my chat thing here that they pop out of, you know?
Maybe. Maybe either on the chat thing, or you could have a placeable that you put into the world.
Well, yeah, like same
spawn
difference
out of.
is kind of what I'm imagining.
Yeah. 100%.
Chroma is pretending I'm working right now. This is me doing a bit, stinker. Appreciate the development while I'm on the clock, yeah. Yeah, no, by the hour, please. I accept through my Patreon and my Ko-Fi, so go ahead over there and, you know, just supply as needed. Yeah, Crobo's watching. Thank you, Macaflare. I hope I will make something great. Bing! What was that bing? Who? Macaflare. Oh, hello, yes, thank you for following. Appreciate that. I'm really looking forward to more of this. I think giving the Bitbot special abilities is going to be a huge thing, and I want to do as much of it on stream as I can. Either, oh, who else? Oh, Chroma, you weren't following yet.
Wow.
He used the official account to follow a little while ago. That's fine. Look at all of this. Oops, he says. Oopsie. Also, you should change your Twitch color to, well, I guess actually, I don't know, what's your, you know, but you have no eye when you're like that. I can make a Bitbot for the follow. See, okay, here's the thing. Follow messages, as far as I'm aware, that trigger doesn't come through properly. So, like, if I go into network Twitch follow event...
Oh, that's a hard one to
And
test as well.
Not really. I just have to beg for follows. Like, easy, right? Just have no shame.
All right, people,
I don't have shame.
The follows.
This module.
Tests to run.
Yeah, here, somebody follow right now.
Somebody. Oh yeah, follow, unfollow, follow.
Uh,
That's another method.
I want to write it when they do. There is a test button, but I don't want to have to go through my Streamlabs dashboard for that, and it's a lot funnier for me to just beg for it.
Yeah. Someone in chat follow. Please.
Please, pretty please. Oh, it gave no pulse. There's no pulse. It didn't pulse.
No.
Don't tell me this doesn't. That was 2 of them. Ah, okay, this node is not. I think the Twitch API is not. But thank you, both of you who just did. Appreciate it. I don't know. You can unfollow now, I guess, but yeah, please don't. Network, Twitch.
We got some refollowing?
Refollowing happening? Okay, we've got message. There's raid, reward, subscription.
Hello.
You were my 69th? I think I noticed that earlier. That is very good. Or, sorry, nice. And yeah, good for you.
Nice indeed.
So the... Oop. That's supposed to go there. On redeem, this is... I don't know. Oh, this is like channel reward stuff. I don't have that yet. And subscriptions I also don't have yet. After this stream, I should. I think there's enough activity... I've definitely, after today, enough activity has happened where I'll be affiliate.
Is wild how much of a difference there is in like the size of the nodes for.
Oh yeah, I look at the message
follow.
event.
If the chat message makes sense, there's a lot that goes into.
Yeah,
that.
you could pull everything out of here. What I might do is make. Oh, you know what? Eventually, I'll make. Yeah, it'll all be settings. It'll all be toggles. I'll have it so like by default, Bitbot messages
You'll be
are
able to do
subscribers.
stuff like subscribers.
Yeah. So like, oh, only subscribers can use this message, and just put an if. No, I love that I'm programming it in here. You know, it just gives me all the data, and I'm like, okay, yeah, cool. I'll do whatever I want with it. 25 people is right. 25 people. I'm. This is so good. I can look at you here and talk to you. It's amazing. Yeah. No, I love that people want to watch this. This is so much fun.
Greater than.
Yeah, if you send a certain amount of bits, do stuff, right? Like, totally.
Yeah.
I don't know how many bits, dollars? Oh, does this give you like a... I don't know how much is 1 bit? Is it like 1 bit is 1 cent?
It's like cents.
Okay.
I don't remember.
So like 100 bits is $1 kind of deal, yeah?
Something along
1 bit
those
is like 2
lines.
cents? Okay. Well, and also like I'm going to be converting it to Canadian money, so, you know. Follow?
Right.
Thank you. Oh, Lunar Moon. Thank you. But yeah, it looks like this, the Twitch follow event node doesn't do anything. That's unfortunate.
Sad.
I love that the chat also is like talking to me as Bitbots, like in character. That's so fun. I love that you guys. Yeah. I love that you guys started doing that. Oh, Chroma, you're gonna. Okay, yeah. I mean, you know, you can steal your own, but you can't. You gotta have my Bitbots. But I will absolutely help you.
Their bots are incredible.
This is so neat.
And then you got the cheer thing. I don't know what that means.
I think
I know
cheering
that
is
there's a
just.
difference.
Oh, isn't cheering when you do a specific like, emoji or something with it?
That might be it. Yeah.
And then cheer badge is
right, and-
what data type is cheer badge? Badge color. What? Emoji with bits. Yeah. Okay. Portal, I don't think you're correct. And oh, the chromosome. Yeah, absolutely, the chromosome minions for sure. I'm gonna have to figure out some other algorithm because the drone camera does have problems with it. Explode at the end of there. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, I should put outline on the text material for 1, and for 2, 50 bits plus the bitbots explode after that, like after they appear or something, you know.
There's also the channel rewards
Hello.
things.
Yeah,
Come to think
true.
of it.
Channel rewards are another thing. Nico Meyer fan, hello, welcome. Yeah, it could also be a redeem. I want to tie as much into this as I can, right? And I feel like the bitbots should certainly have headguns, and you can target them. Like you can choose which user you're following, because right now, you know, I do my, hey, everybody, go yell at Paragon. And now they're following you. Fly away. Yeah. There, see? Woo! Oh, that's so good.
That's awesome. Incredible.
Not the bees.
Amazing.
They're not bees, they're bitbots.
Okay, back to me. Explosions are fun, and I think I need to,
super fun.
like, I mean, I'll probably just reuse the charge shot for, like, a basic one, and then have a thing where, like, they can start, like, wiggling around, and the eye goes wide, and then it does a, like, a...
That would be cool. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Next, then, for the Bitbot module, let's go into... Nope, that's wrong. I want avatar module... My Twitch module. Let's go up here for that. And then I want my utilities, and I want my node browser. Okay, we're gonna open this. Baxter!
I haven't seen that guy since Neos.
And we'll open up the Bitbot spawning.
Howdy, hey.
Hello! Ugh. Yeah, that had to connect. Alright, so this is how the Bitbots spawn out. I'm not using the Bitbot command because I think, yeah, it's just more fun to have it be every chat message. At least for now. If I want them to play a sound on death or shrink or something, I don't know. I can, okay, for now, just for temporary effects. Oh, I guess this has to. I would need a dynamic. Good luck. I don't keep my systems on 32. I use system 33. This has to.
Really high power too, like 16,777.
Yeah, except then you round it to 33.
Oh, of course, of course.
Yeah, you know how it is. No, but I need to tween it on the Bitbot, so I actually need to send, and to make it properly dynamic anyway, I am just going to want to send a destroy signal, so I'll do that. Impulse, receiver, and trigger, and it'll just be called Bitbot kill. Sorry, you guys are gonna get killed. Oh, I should make that async. Ba-doo boop boop boo. Nope. Oh, shadow left. Good. Perfect. Yeah, so instead of destroying it here, the sweet freedom of death will come for you all. Don't worry. Be patient. We're going to send that to the duplicate. We're going to exclude disabled is fine. Okay, so right now, Bitbots are not going to be destroyed, but that's fine. So it sends the Bitbot kill signal. The Bitbots do not currently receive the Bitbot kill signal. So right now, any Bitbots that get spawned are permanent until I kill them manually. So people better not spam Bitbots. That would be so terrible.
Really? That would be the
This would be
worst.
awful. Kill, or I should call it death handler.
Yeah, that's probably smart.
Fault the psychopomp.
Look at all of these. Look at all of them, huh? It's just so cool. The text definitely needs outlines now that I'm looking at it. I'm gonna kill the swarm.
Power grows.
Swarm shrinks.
You think you're inevitable? I just killed you all. Template, Bitbot in here. Definitely make sure that doesn't have anything bad happen to it. I want to go from to yes. And I want Bitbot scale in here. Okay. So then I should just have to do that and that. Put this here and put it in Death Handler. Pack. cloud. Nope. Modularity clear. Do that. I have to go back into my avatar modules and
Your
get
water
my
is so
installer.
smooth. Did the texture not load for me, or do y'all have a different water in here?
Somebody send something. Lava. Hello. Okay, now you should shrink when you die, which I guess I have to wait 30 seconds for. Lava, beep. There's stuff. Okay, cool. I'm gonna say for its came first, so I want to watch you for shrink and go away. Shrink and go away. Come on. Come on. 30 seconds. How long is 30 seconds? Oh, wait, I saw another one do it. Wait, so that... Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Okay, it's not super diegetic, but, like, that works. That is more than 0. Okay, yeah. Save that. Awesome.
Hey, Shadow.
This is very, very cool. Okay, I guess I should pop out into this real quick and be like, hey, for everybody who has maybe just shown up or doesn't really know what's going on or whatever, I am building this module for my avatar so that anytime a chat message gets sent, it gets turned into a little Bitbot that flies around with your message and your name on it. And eventually I want to put all kinds of commands for different powers for them, so then you can send, you know, exclamation point Bitbot shoot, and it'll fire at whoever it's locked onto, or it'll do, I don't know, Bitbot explode and you can kill yourself. Yeah, no, I love the direction this is going. What commands would be ideal? I think it kind of is. Do I now I'm still not sure if I want to take your suggestion for a 1 Bitbot per user or 1 Bitbot per message. So far, I like a Bitbot per message because I love the swarm.
Bitbot per message
But,
does it works really well, and the swarm aspect is nice.
yeah. But then if I start giving the ability to command...
You could clamp a total number per user.
I could. I'm just thinking in terms of if I want to add a command for start shooting, does that affect all Bitbots you have out? Does that affect your most recent one? Does that, like, should I limit it to 1 per person and then your commands?
Control the swarm.
Yeah, right?
Little swarm.
Because, I mean, 1 Bitbot per user does scale better, but also it's really funny. Because imagine someone, like, if I leave chat out of slow mode or whatever, well, they will be if there's tons of them. But imagine leaving it open for someone to be like, hello, 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 like, you know, spawn out 7 of them and then send a command to retarget to somebody and, like, have your own little thing you control. That would be neat. But I feel like,
On the timer, so that
yeah.
it groups them based on time. So,
Yeah.
like, if you don't send one for like 10 seconds, then that gets kicked to the next Bitbot.
what I might do, actually, okay, what I might do is 1 Bitbot per user at a time, but each message they send, it's like a mini chat log for their own, you know, so like, because Zarek is just doing it here right now, spamming a bunch of ones. But yeah, so you get 1 Bitbot for you that lasts until you haven't chatted for 30 seconds, and your messages pop up below it, and each of those goes away every 30 seconds.
Yeah. And then that could also be a way to cycle through, like, your whatever command module. So you could do exclamation Bitbot retarget or exclamation Bitbot
Yeah.
fire.
Yeah, I think that might be the play.
XYZ.
A perpetual
And
Bitbot,
if
so long as you
just
keep speaking
say
within
attack,
30 seconds.
I think
Yes.
saying attack should just attack nearest.
As long as it's not me. I gotta make it so that chat never attacks me, unless you gotta pay for that.
Yeah, you
That's
have to,
all of my all the free stuff is shooting people, and all of the like bits and subs and everything is to do stuff to me.
Yes, I like this idea.
Okay, so if I want to do 1 Bitbot per person, I need a handler in the spawner that checks. Okay, so what I will do is drive each Bitbot name by the user variable. Name badge here, duplicate Bitbot username, put that on this. So the Bitbot name field is now driven by that. Okay, I will take your money. Thank you. Your money is mine now. And if I modularity clear and then do that and then do... Whoops. Hello. Sorry. Do that. Make it so you can swarm nice to you like bees doing a swarm... What? Swarm nice to you like bees doing heat death, except we're charging, I assume you mean. Swarm next to me? Do you mean? I appreciate the offer, but that's what the Underspace Harvester Core is for. So, I'm good. However, if you... Okay, you did mean next to me, yes. Why did that one pop up? That one should have... Where's... Oh, good, those are here, those are here. Okay. That... I've got to open Anchor Space and take a look, because those... Yes, yes, they have your names on them. So what I want to do is...
We got 2 mecha players, Sarah,
Yeah. Alright, this is super easy, because now I just need a simple check where, instead of... Okay, this will be a setting later, so I'll leave that. But I do need a different if. Let's move that. If the username... Oh, I gotta find... Yeah. Slots, searching, find child by name. Look under Anchor Space. And if that returns not null, like so. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Check for the username. Oh wait, no. That one. Whoop. Okay, check the name. I'll just put this over here for now, because I'm not really using it, but I do want to keep it. Here's your name. Check Anchor Space for the name if it finds the name. So, okay, here. If it does not find the name, do the Bitbot generate thing. If it does find the name, then instead write the message to the message variable on that Bitbot. And refresh the timer? How do I refresh the timer on this?
Are you initializing? You're starting a delay.
Well, it's gonna not have to be a delay, but I'm just thinking... Because there's already a context going that is gonna kill. Do 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 do. I think the Bitbot itself is gonna have to handle its own timer, so that's fine. So I'll just do. Actually, no, I will just do that. And now, okay, somebody send something, and then wait a couple seconds, and then send something else. Bit, and then Zark, test, bot. Okay, it does work, it does work. It isn't gonna reset the timer yet. So I'll pack that, do clear the one I'm currently using, kill all of you, and then do that. There we go.
Okay, there we are.
It hitches when the Twitch network socket connects. Okay, now when somebody sends something... Oh, sorry, I forgot to go back to POV. Alright. Hello. You have sent and now when you send something else...
Hello.
Send something else, potato. And then potato, I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. I need a different piece of text. Send any other message. Please. This has to work. It didn't work.
Dang it.
Why did I do wrong? Oh! There are 2 modules in the world, so it's generating 2 Bitbots, so it's finding... Yeah, okay. No, that's why.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Okay. No, it is working, because I saw it on that... Aha!
Nice.
I'm gonna put just text in here called blank message. Okay, that's good. That's good. A bunch of meaningless characters. Thank you. That actually had meaning in it. Cool. Cool. Save this.
Would that count as an anti-autonym?
Yes. Okay. You know what I have to do is put a. I gotta put a check in here.
If it means anything at all, makes it a polynym.
Who's Polly? Just kidding. I know who Polly is. Say hi, Polly. I don't know if you're watching. Actually, I do know if you're watching. I can check that. Polly is watching. Haha. Say hi, Polly. Yeah, call me a nerd. There you are.
Nerd, yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay, if this module
It's
is
surprising how real time that is.
there's actually a setting in Twitch for whether or not you want real time interaction. And then
yeah,
it's
that's
just
right.
network
It's the
delay,
chat,
not
yeah.
like manually added. Yeah. Okay, now this module doesn't make a bitbot unless it's actually plugged in. So when if you guys send a message and spawn a bitbot out, then it'll replace your message properly now. Test, yeah, test. Potato, test for me. You have tested? Test 2, yeah! Okay, good.
We can converse.
Alright, so I'm gonna move this, and the bitbot kill signal is going to send... It's just gonna activate, like, immediately. And what that means is the bitbot itself needs to have the timer on it. So I will unpack this and open up the death handler. And I will also have to... Actually, here, let's do that first. I will also have a signal for message updated. Bum, bum, ba-da-ba-da-ba. Like that. And then I can just do a while loop instead. Yeah. Yeah. That'll be much better. So let's do this. Let's put this here. Is to blow up. I can help with that. So we've got a delay. No, except I'm not going to use this. Sorry. Look, I know you don't want to die. That's not, unfortunately for you, important to me. So I need a delay updates, I need a while, and I'm going to be running, like, basically every part of logic of the bitbot off a while loop anyway, so this is kind of fine. Yeah. When it receives bitbot kill, activate the loop. This is going to be true until, here, let's go time. DT, let's get a right. Set this to a data model store, actually, because this needs to be a global tick time down. Lifetime. Yeah. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna need plus, I'm gonna need this, I'm gonna need that. Nope, I'm gonna need minus, I'm gonna need lifetime minus DT. Yep, and I need to write that 30. Okay, so 30 seconds per message. Bitbot kill, message updater. Bitbot kill should be a different signal. Bitbot, initialize. Much better. I'm sorry about all your food. But yeah, please also, shoot me questions for my, what I'm doing in my process. Because I'm sort of just going here to try and get this to work, but I'm more than willing to explain. Let's see here. Bitbot initialize instead of bitbot kill. Message updated can stay the same. So I'm sending a signal to the Bitbot here. This goes on the Bitbot, and then what I'm going to do is check whether or not lifetime is greater than or equal to 0. That is all together. So yeah, here, let's move this up and get one of those. Just move you over here. Watch the master at work, right? Not to toot my own toot.
I love the schmoovers.
The schmoovers are just so useful, dude. You have no idea. You obviously you do have an idea, but like also you have no idea.
Yes, both at the same time can be true.
I hate that selection bug with Protoflux. It's probably like, I want to say cut my workflow to like 70%. Just that alone.
Right now, I'm not even using it for the bug because these write nodes are connected to, like, this stuff is all connected, and I do just want to move this chunk, right? So
Yeah.
But I get what you mean.
But being able to select just that chunk is...
It's huge.
Yeah.
It's actually huge.
It's a
Cool.
massive
And at the end of the loop, that happens. And now that should do it, except that goes there. So every frame, subtract DT from the lifetime, which starts at 30, which means it has a lifespan of 30 seconds. And every message updated... every message updated, boop, do that. Otherwise, it's going to start dying too fast.
Write it
Thank
back
goodness
to
for rubber
30.
duckying it. Yeah. Message updated, write it back to 30. Simple as.
Nice.
Death handler. Nope. Back into. Thank you. Get rid of that. Turn off the template and clear my module and reattach this. Okay. Somebody say something and then say something else. Maybe I should have a countdown on the Bitbot so it's obvious. If you keep typing, your Bitbot should stay alive. Oh, who's? Landicon. Land icon? Thank you. Welcome.
Messages,
Yeah.
basically.
Make you giant. If you want, okay, maybe Bitbot size should be something on a redeem of some kind. Yeah, so now, hey, look, test 1 turned into test 2, messages turned into... Oh, this is awesome.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to set the message text to have an outline. And I would like that outline to be thin and inverse color. Continuous typing for continued existence. Yeah! And look, you get to float over there. Oh, you know what? I should have it so that the longer a Bitbot is alive for, the more like if you keep your Bitbot alive for 10 minutes, then you get, you know what I mean?
Yes, that would be nice.
Ooh, I could force engagement. I could control the world via interactivity. Yeah, no, 10 minutes is a long time. Once every 30 seconds for 10 minutes, that would be just wild. Wait, why did that one die?
Like 30.
You just typed that message.
Oh, I did that one.
Okay, good test.
Yeah.
Good.
I noticed that with someone.
Death handler.
We watched timer. Lifetime. Is it not writing?
No, it is, but what's going to be happening is that there's a race condition with this, and so it just gets immediately overwritten anyway. Because this is every frame, so there's no in-between frame for this to have a chance to get to it. Not me getting traction, no! I'm sorry, land icon / land icon. Give me pronunciation in your type through Bitbot to... Is it land icon or landicon?
Both sound cool.
Both sound cool, but like, you know. Also, yeah, okay. How do I solve this problem? Do.
This guy's plasma is white, but his... Oh wait, is that the default?
I think I just need to reset the loop? No. Landy. Okay, that makes sense. Hello, Landy. Welcome. Thank you for joining. And I'm sorry that existence is pain, but it's not really my fault. It actually kind of literally is my... Pizza is nice! Dude, I'm gonna get pizza tomorrow. That's the plan. Pizza Tuesday, right? Classic. How do I fix this? Because this write is getting overwritten by that. I feel like I need to just cut the loop when it receives message updated instead of trying to finagle this in any way, so I might just do that. Landicon. Landicon. Yeah, okay. That makes sense.
Wouldn't the stopwatch?
I don't want to have to use stopwatch. Don't make me use stopwatch.
Okay.
Where is it? Here it is. Message received, message update. No. Message update. Landy. 20 years. Wow. Yeah, no, I've been RustyBot for 11, but 20 is impressive. Time on this. I probably am gonna use stopwatch. I just don't like using stopwatch. I don't know. I don't know how it works with contexts. I don't have this note anywhere on me, therefore I'm unfamiliar, therefore it's wrong and bad.
Understandable.
I was thinking elapsed time as well, but no, this is just me being dumb.
To skip this.
Yeah, but elapsed time is the best of them, and I just am hesitant for it, even though these are temporary little stinkers. Message updated and Bitbot initialized. Yeah, but like
many of these nodes.
But only if this gets left on for forever is it a problem.
Yeah, elapsed time looks like it's fantastic for this.
As long as this is less than 30. Yeah. If elapsed time is less than 30, Bitbot alive.
Oh, I don't have builder.
Somebody else is here. Okay, I'm gonna put a safety parent value on here just in case. So data parent value bool, and I'm just gonna call it Bitbot docked. And then on the Bitbot, I'm going to do parent value link bool, Bitbot docked, and write that to a obligatory value field incoming. There. And this way I can use this value to ensure that it never deletes the template. Remember to save at some point. Thank you. I will. Fear not. Is that that's a slime. Hello.
Oh, hi, Rusty. What's up?
Neat.
Howdy.
Cool. So let's have this should be in nope. Yep, there we go. This should be in here. Value field. So only if this is false does that get allowed through. Why does it hate that now? Oh, because I took away the... Yeah, that makes sense. Don't worry about it. Cool. Now, this, and I don't need that. I don't need that. I just need to check that and that. And I don't need this either. Yeah, this is a little nicer. It runs a while loop, and once that... Oh, no, but that's gonna multi... no, I don't want it like this. Remember to save it some... Yes, okay, good. I'm just checking I'm not missing you guys. I do still have the thing active. You guys can still send messages, and, like, Bitbots will pop out, but they are a little bit... Just, your messages will update, but not extend the lifetime, rather. Okay. Send elapsed time. If elapsed time is less than 30, keep the loop going. If not, do that. Just watching. Yeah, no, fair enough. I'm just making sure that, partially for me, making sure that the thing is still working. Elapsed time, 30 seconds float. Keeps the loop going, but I want the loop to cut. I also want the loop to cut when message updated gets triggered, so that it doesn't end up tweening multiple times. Oh, wait, nope. Smarter. Me when I am smarter. Local impulse timeout seconds, because I'm the one running all of this. So all I have to do is say, hey, the Bitbot can only delete itself once every 1 second. And then we're problem solved. Yeah.
Sweet.
Let's do that. And it can only delete itself if it's not docked, and that should do it. He said hopefully. Death handler, go in. Thank you. Do that. Move you back here. Back in place. Template. Okay. Clear modules. Kill all bitbots. My Apollo cheese. Do that. Hook up. Hitch. Okay. Fire away.
And save.
Saving currently. Done.
Perfect.
The swarm. Hello. Update your message.
Oh, one dies. Woo! Yes.
Hi, everybody. Hello. Woohoo. You updated? Okay, good. Now, as long as you keep doing that, it should keep your Bitbot alive. Probably. Hopefully. We'll see. If other ones start dying and yours doesn't,
Nobody explodes. Yes.
keep typing and nobody's... Oh, yeah, no, I definitely have to make them explode now. Okay, that one went away. Wait, was that Zarix? No. Why?
no.
Why did it go away? Hello. It's not supposed to do that. Message updated. Bitbot initialized. Bitbot spawning. Message updated. Is it... Like, obviously this is happening. Oh... Okay. Yep. Nope. That's just... I'm dumb. I'm actually just dumb. There's no duplicate in this context. It needs to be the found child. I thought I had hooked that up properly, but I did not.
Oops.
Haha. Okay, well, that'll do it. Sorry, I'm gonna kill you all. And then I'm gonna clear my modules, and then I'm gonna click that button. And then it's gonna not hitch me. Okay, okay, now it will work. Big oops. Yes. Somebody else give me something.
Extended longevity.
Later God dies again. Ops lol. Okay, now. I don't really... Look, it's not murder if I... It is... I'm... Well...
It's recycling.
Yeah.
Recycling.
Bitbots aren't people, so... Like, you know...
It's just recycling. You're repurposing. It's alright.
It doesn't
No
disappear.
judgment.
I appreciate that. Really, I needed that. Whoop. What do you mean, wow, rude? You gonna tell me Bitbots are supposed to be people? Do you want me to have billions of people working for me for free around the clock out in space? Like, it's easier for everyone if Bitbots are not people. Yes, correct. You were designed this way. It's, well, okay. I did do the designing, so it is my fault, but I don't feel bad, so it's fine. I appreciate it. Bitbots aren't people.
Well, you don't give your tools
I mean,
sentient.
it's
Yeah, I think
true.
that-
Yeah.
It's a true statement.
I should put a timer just for debug. Yeah, I'm going to
really
duplicate
hard.
name badge. I'm going to remove the string driver there. I'm going to call this timer. And I'm going to drive the text. And we're going to go into death handler and convert to string. Strings, formatting, format, no. Oh, yes, format string. Thank you. That's a parameter. We're going to drive this. The format is going to be 0:0.0. There. Yeah, cool, good. Get rid of that. This is just for debugging purposes. Good. Clear my module. Kill all of you. My apologies. And there we go. Okay, now I think you have timers above your head that is overlapping with the name because I forgot to move it up, but we can see that happening. And now, okay, somebody volunteer to die. Say something and then don't say something for 30 seconds.
This one's at 15.
They have a self-destruct,
Yeah.
or they run out of battery. One of the two.
Wait, this one, hold on, this one's at 20 something. Don't, Nico, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Good. Okay, goes away. Now, somebody, yeah, here, Zarek, you're at 7, 8. Nope, you went away.
This one's at 28.
Okay. Here, I need to find... Oh, Landicon, Landicon, say something. Say something, Landicon, say something. Please, you're gonna die. Say something. Say something.
Landicon, no.
Anything, anything.
Say anything. Come on.
Nope, dead.
Like it's like that Flash game, move or die.
Yep.
Yeah, something like that.
Somebody, oh, there's, okay, Landicon's back. Good. Okay, okay. Yeah. The timer's working. You did, but it was like, you know, there's network delay.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, cool. The timers are resetting. It's tough to see because I forgot to move them up, but 0.1 up to 0.25. Yeah, I should have just done that. Cleared modules, clear bitbots, do that. Sweet release of death. There's the timer above the head.
That's a lot clearer.
Yep.
Yeah.
At least you can persist. Yeah, now if you update your message within 30 seconds, you stick around.
Yay.
I think I
And
made
we see the timer update.
the camera component too big. I got overexcited.
Maybe.
Okay, let me just adjust that down a touch. Group search radius 5. Yeah, I upped that. Let's put that back down to, say, 3. Now I'm gonna do the clear, do the kill, do the this, do the that. Alright. Pop out some bitbots, folks. Hello! Yeah, okay. Good, and now if I go close to you... Cool, cool, and I can scoot away. Alright, that's that.
Looks a little better.
Yeah, I'm gonna save this. I'm going to pop out my little setter thing. And then, click that, click that, click that, click that, that, and that. Okay, now one final test. Clear modules.
Display local.
What display?
Your cloud variable setter.
Nope. You can see this, right?
Oh, it's
Yeah, it intersects with the, yeah. Okay, now if I go into my cloud and Twitch and spawn that, okay, I have spawned the module, cloud spawned. Now, somebody say something.
Oh, music's
Yes,
on.
yes. Okay, good, good. The power of Resonite.
The
Yeah.
power of resonance.
No, this is what I was going for.
The message.
Perfect. Okay,
You are filled
clear
with
all
a
that
certain
stuff.
power.
That is
Limited power.
what I'm doing for today, I think. Yeah, that was really, really awesome. Sorry, yeah, Landicon had a question. This is all baked into Resonate, or am I making this from scratch? I have made this from scratch today, in the last 3 hours. The little, I mean, you know, lots of being silly, as well as making it, so it's not like it took the whole thing, but yeah. Yeah. Oh, this has been wonderful. Okay, can you private the world for a second, and then I'm gonna scoot away and say bye and everything, and then, you know, yeah. Alright, let's do that. Hello. Okay, yeah, I'll come back over to you guys in a little bit. Whoop, hello. Hi, chat. How's it going? Let's set you into world mode. Hi, everybody. Look at all the bitbots around me. Look at all of you. This has been awesome. Thanks, guys. I had a very good time. I think, I don't know. I'll figure out what I'm going to do next week. It's either going to be working on this or more MMC exploring and gameplay and stuff, but yeah, that, I love that I can just poke, tink, tink. All right. This has been an awesome stream. I will see you all again next week, I hope, and I'll be ideally, not ideally, based on the statistics and what I know of the Twitch what am I, the affiliate program, what I know of the affiliate program. I will have that next time. So, you know, there'll be some, what's the word I'm looking for? There'll be some more stuff. I want to have separate animations set up for things, and yeah, just I'm very excited. So thanks for being here, everybody. I'm just really excited. I really appreciate that my streams are working out. This is number 3. Like, that's wild. This is only stream number 3 for me, and it's already this active, and it's so much fun. Yeah. So thank you very much, and bye bye. I gotta swap to get my screen all set up here, but oh boy, now I'm being shot at. And do that, and do this, and do that, and okay, yeah. Later.